go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we are live! You get a shiny Pokemon! You get a shiny Pokemon! Everybody gets a shiny Pokemon! Oh my goodness. No, Original is not first today. Original has a tendency of going in and saying first, but not today. You've been beaten. They beat Kloggy. I want to say hello to a few people here. Hold on. Stop it now. Stop it now. Ah, the music is so loud. I am so sorry about that. I am so hyped. I am so hyped. Everybody's going to get a shiny Pokemon today, apparently, according to my sources. Let me just make sure. Let me just check. Vloggy resorting to hacking, not resulting to hacking. That's what you mean, assisting Rotom. Welcome. Okay, Oprah, calm down. Okay, I want to say welcome to everyone. Who's here? That was Beaver. I don't know if he's still here. And Bora Game. Is that? I don't know how to say that. Abrami Girl. Is that it? I don't know. And there's me. Hello, VloggyBuddy. Hello, Midna. Midna's bringing her sister in today. And there's Dada. He's clogging me. And there's Ivan. Hello. And assisting Rotom. Come on. I resort to hacking. I risk getting banned for you guys. All right. I risk getting banned because I love you. I want to give you shinies. All right. You know what I'm going to do? Hold on. I'm going to tweet the stream out real quick. I'm going to beat in a minute. Hold on. I'm going to tweet the stream out real quick. Publish. Give me a second. Oh, no. Let's put some music on. At least we put the music on from... There we go. There we go. Tell me the quality of the sound. Is it too loud? Am I too loud? If I'm too loud, you just lower the volume yourselves. Alright, so let me put the volume down myself. Let me just check the things going up and down. Alright, we're good. I think we're good. Alright, the stream has been tweeted. And I'm going to share this to the Pokemon group in Malta real quick. Bear with me. Share to a page. And I'm going to post this. Wait a minute. Sharing in a group. Pokemon group Malta. There we go. Come, say hi, and get a shiny. Are you guys ready for some shinies? Post. Alright. You know what I'm gonna do? Hey, Amy's here! Amy! Alright. Hang on. How do I pop the chat out? Oh, there it is. Pop out chat. Because I don't want to see. I want to see the quality of the stream, but I don't want to see. Oh, I can do this actually. I don't have to see the views. I don't like seeing how many people are watching. It stresses me out. Sorry. So what did I miss? Did I miss anyone? No, I don't think I did. There we go. Alright, let's go. The first Pokemon we're gonna start with, okay, according to my stream, apparently we have to deposit a Caterpie. So guys, go start catching those Caterpies real quick. Go. You have a lot of time. you always too loud, Kloggy. I'll shut up now. Really? Am I loud? We Maltese people tend to be a bit loud. I'm sorry about that. Hey, Obi! Obi reminds me of Obi-Wan. Is that why you put Obi? Was that your last name? If it is, man, that's so awesome. How are you, Chase? Alright, help me, please! At a party, prostitute, dude, keep it in Maltese. Sorry, keep it in Maltese. Keep it English. Keep it English, buddy. Keep it English. So everybody understands. Alright, let's go. And yes, I do have a PS4. Welcome out to party. What's the first Pokemon you're gonna see in a second? You're gonna be seeing in a second, Beaver. Look. Let's go. Maybe one day I'll get started. Whew. Alright, so trade GTS. Would you like to continue? Yes. You have been banned from online services because you are hacking. What? I'm kidding. Alright. Connecting to the internet. I've been meaning to do this stream and give you some Pokemons. I'm good, thanks for asking. And hello, Dada. How is everyone doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing fantastic, as you can hear from the tone of my voice. Where's my phone? I haven't seen my phone in a while. Oh, well. So, the first... Guys, start depositing Caterpies because... Thank you. Because... Your deposit came back. Oops. Oh, wow, okay. My deposit Pokemon came back. I think I got a shiny. What? Charmander was taken out. What? Where did this Charmander come from? I have a shiny Charmander, guys. Alright, anyway. So I'm gonna deposit. We're gonna start with... we are gonna start with Chikorita. What's my... I don't add people, though. Piazza party. I don't add people. Sorry. I don't even play online, so there won't be any point. So I'm gonna deposit Chikoritas. 4 Caterpies. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? I'm gonna deposit the first one, and I'm gonna be asking for a Caterpie. Can I ask for a Caterpie? Caterpie. There we go. Some people will be asking me what the natures and stuff. He's a shiny Chikorita, and he's jolly, and he's level 5, apparently. And he knows tackle, guys, and it's an awesome move, huh? Alright, let's go. Deposit Pokemons. I'm gonna have a sip of beer in the meantime. Whoever gets it first. I wonder who's gonna get it first. And that one's gone. I'm using my 3DS case. I'm using my 3DS case as a as a coaster, but no, I'm changing my mind because I don't want it dented. No, never mind. All right. You got it. Somebody got it already. Let's see if you're lying. Hold on, hold on. Is it gonna let me take it back? Hold on. Was traded. Nice. Enjoy your Chikorita. Somebody took it already. Nice. You're very welcome. Stick around. You can have as many as you want, by the way, FSN. You can have as many. You can have as many as you want. So, feel free to snag one again. What Pokemon should I deposit? It says so on the stream. Up there. Deposit Caterpie. I have a feeling I'm going to be repeating this all the time. Deposit Caterpie. Alright, Midna, yes, we'll do a link trade. Let's settle the... Let's sort out the Chikoritas first. Alright, let's settle out the Chikoritas. And then I'll do a link trade with you. Okay. Okay. Do I have you as a friend? I think we added each other last time, did we? So yeah, we'll do that. Alright. I'm gonna deposit another one. Hold on. Why am I depositing? Hold on. Deposit. Nope. Here comes another one. Nice, nice. Alright. Depositing. And Pokemon wanted Caterpie. Good. Deposit. Here it comes. Is it only GTS ears? What do you mean ears? Wars. GTS wars. Today's stream? Like, do we call this GTS wars? I don't know. Do we call it a GTS? Is this what it's known as? I don't know. I call it a shiny giveaway over GTS, but is it called GTS Wars? But yeah, I won't be doing any Let's Play today. Not today, but I plan on doing a Let's Play this week as well. Also, I got a new Spider-Man game. I can't wait to stream that. Anywho, since my sister is here with me, I'm going to do 2 of each. No problem, Midnight. You can have 3 and 5 and 8 and 12 and 600 and... That's fine. You can take... these are all for grabs, so I don't care. What happens if I quit? Hold on. Hold on a sec. I want to try something real quick. Thread. GTS. GTS. Alright. Okay. Let me try again. Want a shiny Mew, boy? I mean, let's face it. Abram... How do I pronounce that? I'm gonna call you Girl32. Because I don't think I can pronounce your name. So yeah, Girl32. I think I can get all the shiny Mews I want, really, to be honest with you. I'm only giving these out to people who or don't have the resources to get their shinies, you know? You already got a shiny Typhlosion? I'm gonna be giving away Cyndaquils as well later. It's called GTS Wars because you deposit and then we have a war. Who can get it first? That's awesome, Fireman. I didn't know that. That's called the GTS Wars. You see, you guys teach me stuff. You see, I give shiny Pokemon and I get information in return. Hey, Magnite! Somebody just subscribed. FSN Media, thank you for the sub. Thank you so much for subscribing. The things are obstructing the notification. That's not nice. Hold on. Let's just fix that real quick. So, edit scene, events, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna move this over here. Yeah, I think it looks good over there. We're gonna leave it there. Alright. Alright, we're good. So, anyway. Did somebody take this Pokemon already? Why is this blinking? I never saw this button blinking before. Quit. That's weird. I think it means that it's connected to the internet. I don't know. I have an orange light on my 3DS that I never noticed before. What's my favorite Pokemon? It's gonna sound very old school, but I love Charizard. I love Charizard. Why? Charizard, why? I was just afraid that somebody took it. My favorite Pokemon? Yeah, I told you it's Charizard. And the next one is Totodile. Totodile is next, guys. Hey, Vloggy, I need to shiny Totodiles because my friend loves Totodile. I love Totodile too. We're gonna get Totodile soon, don't worry. Aburami, thank you! Aburami! I can now say it. Aburami. I'm gonna forget it in like 10 minutes. I'm ready to connect with you. Yeah, Midna, I'm gonna do these first. I'm gonna do the giveaways first over the GTS, and then we'll and then we can link trade you and me very soon, okay? Let me just get rid of the Chikoritas. We get rid of the Chikoritas, you and I do the link trade, and I'll get back to GTSs again. And it's a nice break in between, you know? You have a soft spot for Zoroark. Alright. What am I doing? Not seek. Deposit. Here comes another one. Here it comes. GTS Wars. Gonna have another sip while it deposits. Fireman got it! Awesome! I am happy for you. Take good care of that shiny Chikorita. Alright? Take good care of it. Alright, so. Traded. Here it comes. You're very welcome, Fireman. Very, very welcome. Midnight, you don't have to wait for the link trade. Just go ahead and snag shinies right now if you want. No need to wait. Depositing. Deposits. Let's go. It's hard though. Is it really hard? Really? I didn't know that. Is it hard to really? I don't know. I've never been on the other end of a GTS war, so I don't know if it's really hard. Is it really hard? I don't know. Okay, so 1, I woke. 2, I got a big number of dollars. I found a dragon in Pokemon Go. But 2, 3, 1. Wait, you got what? That's you're a billionaire. Can you marry me? I'm gonna name a Caterpie after you. Go ahead, go ahead. You can name the Caterpies. It's fine. Fireman says it's easy. Guys, go ahead and retweet the stream if you want. If you really want to share, you know, shinies with others. You know, if you want to be considerate, you can retweet the stream or whatever, so we can get more people in and everybody gets a shiny. You know, that way you're just nice. Alright, so I'm gonna deposit. Has this been snagged already? I don't want to risk it. I don't. It's not like I have hundreds of people watching, so I think it's easy to grab the shinies I'm depositing. Do you think they will add shinies to Pokemon Go? I think eventually they will. I think they will eventually. No, Vlog, it was a dream. You get it because I woke up after those things happened. Ah. Oh, okay. I woke. I got it. Alright. I usually, when I say that joke, I would say, this thing happened to me, and this thing happened to me, and then I found $1 million, and then I could fly, and then this, and then I woke up. That's how I say it. And I think they will let Chinese in Pokemon Go. Yes, I think they will do anything they can to keep that game alive, but it's not working. They added Gen 2 and it's not nothing. It's not working. I think personally, I don't think it was traded. Okay. According to FSN Media, Shinies are already in Pokemon Go. Really? Oh yeah, I heard there's a Shiny Magikarp event. Yes, I heard about that. I thought it was a rumor, to be honest with you, though. Depositing another one. Pokemon wanted, Caterpie. There we go. Deposits. Go get more Caterpies, Fireman. Go get more Caterpies. You got a free Magikarp hat in Pokemon Go. I stopped playing Pokemon Go. Sometimes I'm like in a public area, like some square or something. Like, let me see if there's any Pokemon around. I just launch the app, see if there's anything, and then I just close it again. That's it. That's pretty much it. I don't play it like loyally. Loyally? Did they say that? Do you say that? I'm not loyal to Pokemon Go. Not anymore. Not like when it launched. You know what? If Red Rooster doesn't show up in the stream tonight, I am going to be annoyed. Because the thing is this, each stream that I've been making since my last shiny giveaway, he shows up in my streams and he goes, where's my shiny Vulpix? Where's my shiny Vulpix? Where's my shiny Vulpix? And and I keep telling him, I promise, very soon, very soon, very soon. And today, now that I'm doing the giveaway and I have the shiny Vulpix ready for him, alright, and he's not gonna show up, I will be annoyed. Anyway, so yeah. Almost spawned at my house today. Yeah, you play it early. I think most people play it early now. When they did the update for the second gen, everybody like wanted to log in to see if they can find a Totodile or something. Even me, I wanted a Totodile. I still haven't got one. But, I mean, the servers were overloaded. Took a while to log in. But now it's just fine. Let me just check real quick, actually. Let me check real quick to see if there's anything around my house right now. And no, before you ask, I will not do a Pokemon Go stream. Never. Yeah, traded. Somebody took it. GPS signal not found. Of course, because I'm indoors. It can't find where I am. Ah, you got Cyndaquils. I want to get the starters from Johto, but so far nothing. Deposit. Let's try again. Here comes another one. Come on, guys, we need to sell all of these before I move on to the next Pokemon. So yeah, I got a new Spider-Man game. I can't wait to stream it. Alright. Sorry, I got distracted. Alright. No, it's no longer blinking, that light. I don't know what that meant. I had like an orange light blinking on my DS. I've never seen that before. DS. It's actually a 2DS. Never seen that light before. That's so weird. Traded. Nice. Beaver got it. Can you save 2 of each? I will. No, I will. It's a female Caterpie. I like that. Yeah, FSN. I was gonna say FNMS. One of your friends is online. Is that what it means? Is that what it means? Oh wow! You see, I don't have many friends, so it rarely lights up. That's what it means. Okay, thank you so much. My sister won the shiny Caterpie. Won the shiny Caterpie you got. The ones I gave away last time. Is that what you mean? Give away the shiny Caterpie from GTS. I gave away some shiny Caterpies last time. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm sorry. Someone gave you a shiny. Really? What? What? Was it a shiny? Was it a shiny Caterpie? What? Hold on. That's what they're talking about. That's what they're talking. Did I get a shiny Caterpie? Really? And that's why you're saying my sis wants the shiny Caterpie you got. Alright, I'm gonna save that for you, Midnight. I think give away shiny Caterpie. Give away the shiny Caterpie. Okay, Midna called dibs, okay? Midna called dibs on the shiny Caterpie, so I'm gonna give that to her. Oh my gosh, I'm like, why is everybody going on about a shiny Caterpie? I'm not gonna give... That is so funny. I'm like, why is everybody going on about the shiny Caterpie? I didn't even realize I got a shiny Caterpie back. That was so funny. That was so funny. Alright, there's some people that joined in. Hello, Joe. Hello, Joe Peterson. Welcome to the stream. And hi, Dex. Welcome. I am giving away shiny Johto Pokemon. I'm starting with Chikorita. And I'm gonna give you the stats real quick. Stats, I mean, very basic stats, but here we go. It's a Chikorita with Jolly Nature, Ability Overgrow, and it's level 5, and it's shiny, and no Stackle and Growl. It's a very tough one. Yeah, but it's level 5, so yeah, here it comes. And I want Caterpies, guys. Give me Caterpies. Alright, so here they come. That was so funny, I got a shiny Caterpie. That's so weird. I didn't even notice. People in stream like talking about the shiny Caterpie. I'm like, what's going on? That was it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Tra-la-la. Gonna have another sip of beer. That shiny Caterpie though. I know, right? Alright guys, so I'm giving away shiny Pokemon. I only ask for one thing in return. Except for Caterpies. That you like the video, that you like the stream. If you are enjoying the stream, please, I appreciate a like. It makes my day. It makes me smile. 1 like equals 1 smile. Alright. What's going on in chat? First I heard. Vloggy, please save some total lives and some singles. Well, if you are in time, you can snag as many as you want. But if you are away and I'm giving them away and they're running out, I'm sorry. So make sure you're back in time. You'll be back in time. Thanks, everybody. My sister loves you a lot. Okay. Thank you so much, FSN. Thank you so much. You see, I exit out of the GTS and come back to see if it has been traded. That is why I do that. And sometimes just to change the music as well. Because it gets irritating. It's still there, guys. The Chikorita's still there. Hey, Rizri GJK. Welcome. Where do you find Caterpie? I don't know. I really don't know. Honestly, don't know. Can somebody help him out? Can somebody help Joe out? Tell him where you find Caterpies. Apparently, it's a common one. Route 1. Fireman says Route 1. Go to Route 1! Does it make a difference if it's day or night? I hope it doesn't. It's night where I am right now. You've got plenty of time, Joe Peterson. Just go ahead, Joe, and grab as many as you want. I'm gonna keep streaming, giving these away until I run out, until stocks last. You got shiny. Hey, by the way, I got a shiny shackle. By the way, got any shiny shackles? Are you asking me? No, I don't. No, I mean, I can get anything I want, to be honest with you, but I'm only giving away the 3 starters today. And if Red Rooster comes up, I'm gonna give him the shiny Vulpix that I owe him. I owe him a shiny Vulpix, apparently. Let's do this. Your sis got it. That's nice. That's nice. I'm happy for your sister. Make sure you guys take care of the Chicoritas, okay? Raise them with love. Raise them with love. And send me pictures when they're fully evolved into Meganium. Meganium? How do you pronounce that? Meganium. I call it Meganium. Hang on. Is that the right way to pronounce it? Hold on. Meganium. Yeah, I think it's the right way. Meganium. Alright, there it is. So this was traded. Did I get another shiny? Guys, don't send me shinies. What's my Twitter? At VloggyBuddy. It's my username, basically. Oh, wait. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't even know if they're females or males, the ones I'm giving. Hold on. Seek Pokemon. I don't even know. Hold on. What am I giving away? Are they males or females? They're males. Ah, man, they should have been females. Yeah, I think female suits it more. Why did I go for a male? Ah, they're males. I'm sorry, guys. Male shiny Chicoritas. Depositing. They're males. I forgot. Yeah, like that. Like that. Exactly like that, FSN. And you know what? You guys are about a cool crowd, so I'm gonna give you my Discord as well. You are all invited to my Discord. I'm gonna send you the link real quick so you can join my Discord. Invite peoples. Here it comes. Here it comes. It will expire in 30 minutes, the invite, guys. So if you want, you can join my Discord. Here it comes. You can't find the Caterpie. Oh no! That's okay if you don't know what Discord is. It's fine. It's fine. It's like this chat we're having right now here on the stream, but it's like an offline chat, so we can all keep in touch. So many people don't know what Discord is. Well, I mean, I'm a noob. I found out what Discord is like 6 months ago as well. So, anywho, why did I not deposit this yet? Why am I staring? Pokemon wanted. I want a Caterpies. Deposit Pokemons. And it's time for another sip. Fireman got it already? Wow, that was fast. That's how I like it, guys. Come on, take them, take them. I don't care, take them. It says take back. Does it really? Let's see. Traded, nice. Come on, you gotta be fast. Come on, guys. Take. Will you ever give away the Larvitar line? Yeah, why not? Maybe one day, but I'm gonna do all the starters first, so it will be a while. I'm gonna give away all the starters first. So the next starter set I'll be giving are the ones from Hoenn region. I did the Kanto ones last time. Today I'm doing the Johto ones. Next time I'll do the... We glitched the game, huh? What? What? You got it too? Really? What? Seriously? What? No way. Seriously? Whatever, guys. Come on. Let's break GTS. Oh, man. You know what? I'm gonna edit my title of my stream. Maybe it helps if I say GTS Wars. GTS Wars. Shiny. I'm gonna call it like that since now I discovered that it's called GTS Wars. Another stream today? No. This will be the only stream. Well, there's a Spider-Man game that's in the box that I'm looking at that I really want to play. I don't know. Maybe. But I have an early morning tomorrow. We'll see. Nah, I don't think I will. I don't think I will. I would love to, but I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's deposit another Pokemon. Put in the title FSN as a chump. Caterpie, sometimes it automatically says Caterpie, and sometimes it doesn't. I don't know why. Here comes another one. First come, first served. Hey, Mr. Cheer is in the house! Walks in while eating a bag of Vloggy. It's funny how first I noticed the username, then I greet the username, the person coming in, and then I will read what they said. I am like that. Welcome, Cheer. FSN got it. Good. If you tell me that you got it right away, that would be awesome, because, I mean, I won't wait. I'll just move on to the next one, you know? Look what I named it. I'm gonna check what you named it. Let's see what you named it. VloggyBuddy came from the GTS. Alright, GG. Can you change the Pokemon to Cutifly? You know what? We'll have a vote. We'll have a vote. Let's when we're done, let's see. When we deposit it like halfway, when we're like halfway through the box, we'll have a vote and we'll change it. But everybody has to vote on one common Pokemon. Okay? But let's keep Caterpies for now, because I've got people hunting Caterpies. It would be stupid for me to change it now. I have Joe hunting for Caterpies right now, and if he comes back, he's like, I got the Caterpies. We changed to Cutiflies now. Like, what? It's not fair, you know? So I'm gonna keep going, and then we'll have a vote later. We'll have a vote. Everybody in chat gets to vote. Democracy. VloggyBuddy, I'm excited to show you how many eggs I had to go through. Midna. Oh, Midna, thank you so much. Thank you so much. You deserve more than shiny starters. I still can't find the Caterpie. Okay, if you can't find the Caterpie, we're gonna have a vote. We're gonna have... Somebody just... PC Bot just subscribe. Thank you so much for the subscribe. I'll try my best to keep you entertained. I'll try my best to... to be funny. Alright. Thank you so much, PC Bot. I appreciate that. So... You got it? Midna got it! Yes! I'm happy when Midna gets it, because Midna, you guys have no idea how much trouble she went through to get me some Pokemon. Alright. I'm lazy. I don't like hunting for Pokemon. Hold on. Let me just claim this one back real quick. So this one came from Midna, yeah? So yeah, when we're halfway through the box, we'll have a vote. And we'll change the Pokemon deposited. Deposit Pokemon. Here it comes. I've been doing that for 10 minutes. Joe Peterson, I know this is going to be a stupid question, but we just want to make sure that we're on the safe side, okay? You are playing Pokemon Sun and Moon, right? Yeah? Yeah? I don't know, maybe you're playing a different game, that's why you can't find the Caterpie, I don't know. But that's fine, we'll have a vote, and we'll see if everybody's okay with changing the Caterpie to something else, and we can do that. FSN got it already. Yeah, you're on Route 1, okay. I'm very sorry. Keep trying. Otherwise, we'll have a vote. I don't know. What's another common Pokemon we can change to? Let me claim this one back. Look what I named this one. Let's see. Here it comes. I got so many Caterpies now. Oh, I have no more Caterpies. Come on, Midna, go get some more. Come on, get some. I want to give you shinies. Come on. I want to give everybody shinies. Everybody here on stream, I want to thank you for being here on my stream by giving you Pokemon. Free shinies. All I ask for is some common Pokemon, some Caterpie. But not so common for Joe, apparently. I'm so sorry. So... Hold on a sec, guys. I'm checking something on Super Mario Run real quick. How do you add people? I forgot how it's done. Somebody just subscribed. Tippy, thank you so much for subscribing. You deserve a shiny Pokemon. Come on, deposit those. Hold on. I should be depositing one. Sorry. Sorry. Sorry, I am so easily distracted. Here comes another one. Caterpie, deposit. Here it comes. Here it comes. Sorry for... Someone else subscribe. Pokemon giveaways, just subscribe. Thank you, that's what I'm doing. Giving away Pokemon. Can you do a GTS war? Isn't this a GTS war? I don't know. People told me this is a GTS war. And, hold on. Alright, I deposited that. If somebody claims it, let me know. So I can, So, how do you add Pokemon? How do you add friends? I forgot how to add friends. Huh? Friends, add. So, friend requests. Alright, hold on. I forgot how to add people in Super Mario Run. I totally forgot. Add. Enter player ID. Alright, just do that for me. I beat the game, huh? My score is 9999. 99999. Good one. Anywho, FSN got another one. Guys, come on. FSN's claiming so many. Don't let him. Come on, don't let him. Everybody claim. I'm fine with you taking it. I'm just trying to raise some competition. Hold on. What do we deposit? Up there. Look up. It says deposit Caterpie. Go get some Caterpies and come back. You got a Metapod. You just breed it. Yes, you can just breed it. All right. You gotta go soon, Fireman? It's fine. I'm gonna be here for a while, so you might come back and I'll be still here, you know? So, did you find me? Did you? No? That's fine. Player not found. It's fine. Actually, because I think it needs to be done with the search. This is my player ID, I think. This is my player ID. Look. Add me with that player ID. Add me with that one. What do we deposit? I already said. Caterpie, sorry. Did somebody claim this already? Let's see. Yes, traded. I love me some shiny Caterpies. Can you do totalize quick because I need to go? I need to finish this box first. I'm very sorry. Hey, Julian! Yeah, Julian's a regular viewer. He comes here often. Welcome, Julian. Sup, vlog? I hope you're having a great day. I am having a great day. I'm having a great day. I can't believe you got the shiny Caterpie. I know, right, Midna? I know. Welcome to the stream, Nervash. Welcome. Can you do Cyndaquil and Totalize because I gotta go soon? Yes, Fireman, but I gotta be fair, alright? I want to be fair to everyone, alright? I want to make sure that everybody gets one. It's not fair that I quit doing it just for everyone else, you know? It's just so... Let's keep it fair. Deposits. Because everybody's like, can you just switch because I gotta go? And can you do a link trade with me because I cannot find that particular Pokemon? And everyone's be like, but you did it for him. Why don't you do it for me? I'm like, you know. Approved. There we go. So I can stalk your score. Alright. All I have is you and Elena.
Alright.
9999 9976 56. 9999. Alright. I'm in love with Japanese foods. Give me some Japanese orange soda, blueberry candy. You know, Julian, I'm thinking of doing a subscription to, you know how I love the element of surprise with my channel. I love to open boxes and hold on, let me just deposit this because I'm wasting time here. I love these boxes opening and reacting and you know how it is. And I was thinking of doing subscribing to a box called the Tokyo Treat. I think it's called Tokyo Treat. Well, they send me some stuff, some candy and some snacks and stuff, and I just taste them on screen and I react to. I was thinking of doing that maybe in the summer, maybe towards the end of summer, because this is gonna be something that's gonna have to take me off the diet. I cannot have sugars and carbs for the time being, so. Good beer. Let's change the music for a little bit. I'm tired. What is this vlog is streaming before 1 a.m.? I like that, Jack. Best comment ever. What is this vlog is streaming before 1 a.m.? Because I always stream at 1 a.m. Always stream. I love that. Welcome, Jack. Nice to see you. Oh, it took you 1 hour to find Caterpie? Guys, is Caterpie a poor choice to request a Pokemon? Guys, tell me, what's the best Pokemon? What's the best Pokemon I can request? Is there a better Pokemon that I can request? Aburami girl, you have no idea what you're doing. Okay, somebody says Rattata, PCBot says Cutie Somebody says Pikipek or Magikarp, so we have 2 Pikipeks right now. How about a Pikipek next? We go to Pikipek? Alright, everybody saying Pikipek. I'll give a shiny for one Vloggy. Pikipek, everybody saying Pikipek! Pikipek! Pikipek, we're going to Pikipek. Alright, I'm gonna deposit the last one with a Caterpie, the last one. Alright, the last one. Requesting a Caterpie. Moving on, it's gonna be Pikipek. Alright? So deposit. I'm gonna change the description up there real quick. Pokemon wanted. I'm gonna request one last Caterpie and then we're moving on to Pikipek. Deposit Pokemon. Alright, there we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, let me just edit that in the meantime. Hold on. So deposit. Edit. Edit properties. Is it like this? Properties? Yes, deposit. Pikipek. Now it's been changed. From now on, it's a Pikipek. Everybody's like, Pikipecking! Pikipek Haipu! Alright. Moving on to Pikipek then. I like the name Pikipek. I think if I have a kid, I'm gonna call him Pikipek. Pikipek Cremona. Enough beer. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Alright. I jumped my stylus! Get over here! It's my first reference in this stream. My first reference. Quit. So yeah, guys, if you like giveaways, if you like what I'm doing right now, and you're looking forward to another type of shiny starter, I'm gonna be giving away all the shiny starters from beginning to end. I did the Kanto ones, now I'm doing the Johto, next are the Hoenn, and so on. So make sure you subscribe if you want to snag one next time. Also my Twitter, because on my Twitter I announce my streams, so I can tell you up front. The traded, good. So from now on, I'm going to be requesting picky packs apparently. What the heck? I can't find the picky pack now. I'm sorry, Beaver. You said picky pack. We're moving on to picky pack. Fireman got a chikorita. What did you call it? Smiley, 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 smiley. I like that. I like that. All right. Moving on to picky packs. I deposit a picky pack. All right. So deposit. And now we're going to request picky packs from now on. Deposits. Yes. And it's going in. The first picky pack request. Vloggy, do I have to nickname? No, you don't have to nickname anything. And welcome to the stream. I hope I can say this right. Pradush, is that it? Pradush, welcome to the stream. I struggle with usernames. I struggle with my own name sometimes. Like, what's my name again? What's my name again? You're encountering so many picky packs. Drugs are bad, okay? Exactly, Aburami girl. Tell them. You tell them. Alright. You know what? I'm gonna gamble. I'm gonna see if it has been snagged already. Let's see. Summary. Take back. Let's see. Already traded. Nice. You guys are awesome. You guys are fast. I like that. Get those picky packs in, guys. Get those picky packs. I'm looking at my stream and it's so crowded. So I have the deposit request. I have the last people that subscribed up there, and I have dual screens obviously because it's a DS stream obviously, and then I have the Pokemon that I have during the game. VloggyBuddy, my sis game up. Yes, we are all children. It's GTS Wars, not reverse GTS. What I'm doing is GTS War, right? I don't know. Oh man. Okay. Deposit. I'm sorry. I have a friend right next to me right now. Today, I don't just have a digital audience. I also have a real life audience right now. I have a friend right next to me. Say hello. Say hello.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. I don't know if you heard that. Hi, Mom. As if his mom is watching a Pokemon stream right now. You know what? I forgot to share this on my own personal Facebook. I probably should do that. Deposit. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do just one exception for FSN because he has a Sylveon 91 apparently or higher. I'm gonna do that real quick for him. He's the only exception, guys. All right, he's the only exception. I'm gonna do one exception just for FSN. I'm gonna do this one more, and then I'll do a Totodile. Just a Totodile. Don't ask me for a Cyndaquil after, okay? I have to keep going with the Chikoritas, okay? Come on, I'm gonna do one exception. One exception. You only get one shot. All right. Because I love you, buddy. I love you. How about my shiny Rayquaza? What about your shiny Rayquaza? What about him? What about him? All right. So, let's see. Let's see how fast you guys are. Let me just exit GTS real quick and come back. Let's see if it's been snagged. Let's see how fast you guys are. 1, 2. 1, 2. GTS. Come on. Quick. Alright, Fireman, no problem. Thank you so much for hanging out. I hope to see you next time. I'll be giving away more and more and more. If you come back, maybe I'm still streaming. Maybe I'm still streaming. You can get Cyndaquil or Totodile. What did that Pokemon say? I didn't see that. I didn't see the nickname. Anyway, so I'm gonna do one exception real quick for so he wants a Totodile, he said. Where's my Totodiles? I lost my Totodiles! I'm kidding, there they are. Deposit. Yes, and I'm gonna ask for what am I supposed to ask for? A Sylveon? Okay. I have to type the name because I've never encountered that yet. This is a fresh copy, a fresh new game. So SYLV ION. 491 or higher. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. No, I'm gonna be doing more Chikoritas. I'm just doing a little exception for FSN real quick. Alright? And it's a one time only. But there will be more Chikoritas. I've got like another, I think I got another 10 to go. Or more. More than 10. The total dial is in. Let me know that you got it. Let me know that you got it. Let me know that you got it. I'm gonna have a sip of beer in the meantime. If I get one more Chikorita, I got 3, I'm gonna go 3. Yeah, I should get, exactly, that's the point of the stream. I want you guys to get the whole set. I want you to get a shiny Chikorita, a shiny Totodile, and a shiny Cyndaquil. But some people don't care about that, and that's fine. I think he spelled it wrong. Did I? He did. It's Sylveon. Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Take back. Hold on. Sorry about that. I looked at his chat. That's how he spelled it. You're the Pokemon came back. Alright, that's fine. Hold on. Let's try again. Sorry guys. Thank you so much for bringing that up. Thank you so much, Skeletor. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Alright, I'm gonna try again. Because that's the way he spelled it, so... It's not coming up, yeah, because we didn't spell it properly. Here it comes. Alright, here it comes. Deposit, let's try one more time, and then we'll go back to Chikoritas soon. SYLVEON. Yeah, it makes sense since it's an EV evolution. Now it makes sense in my head. That's fine. It's fine, FSN, no problem. Sometimes I think I am too. Shiny EV soon? Yeah, why not? Maybe one day. Maybe one day. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here comes shiny Totodile. That's a very bad impression. I'm sorry. I apologize. Did you get it, FSN? Did you get it? Did you get it? Did you get it? Shiny EVs would be awesome. I think my favorite shiny EV evolution would be Umbreon. So pretty. Can you do a request for me, Vloggy? A request. A request. What do you mean a request, Midna? Please don't put me in an awkward position because everybody will be like, now I have a request. Now I have a request. You made an exception for Midna. Why not for me? And you've put me in a position. You'll put me in a bad position. Alright, so, did you get it? Got it. FSN got it. Here it comes. Here it comes. Let's see what you sent me. Let's look at this Sylveon. Hey, Pixelsoft! Welcome to the stream. Pixelsoft is a fellow Malteser like me. He's a Malteser. So unfair. Why unfair Pokemon giveaways? What am I doing wrong? Tell me! Alright, we'll straight it. Here it comes. What's unfair? Come on. What do you want for the Mons? Alright, please deposit PK packs, as you can see up there. I have to do it with my finger up there. I have to do it. Up there, it says Picky Pack. Deposit your Picky Packs, and I'm going to be giving away Chikoritas. I'm going to finish the box of Chikoritas. I just did that exception for FSN because he needs to go, apparently, or something. Ooh, pretty! I like that. Ooh, we just registered a new Pokemon. Pretty. Listen to the cry. Alright, that's enough. Hold on. Can I do a request, please? I have to go. There we go. Everybody's gonna be like this now. Come on, guys. Come on. You see what you did to me now, FSN? Everybody's gonna be like, thank you, FSN. But you see what everybody's gonna be like? Now do an exception for me too, and do an exception for me too. And there's Sakura's name. Help me, Sakura, please. Hold my hand. Hello, Sakura. How are you? All right, here it comes. More Chikoritas coming in. More Chikoritas are coming in. Deposit Picky Picks. First come, first serve, but I've got like 10 more. I've got 10 more. Hold on, where are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have another 14, guys. They're all yours. They're all yours. I'll hold it. How are you, Sakura? Somebody just subscribed. Who is it? Who is it? We need to acknowledge. Volgem, welcome to the vloggy army. No, I'm not like that. I don't call my subscribers the vloggiers or whatever. Welcome to the stream. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate that. I'll try my best to keep you entertained. Alright, so I never heard you. I never heard you this excited to see me. Sakura. The tra-la-la. Alright. Alright. No, I don't want Sylvia. Sorry. Chat is distracting me, guys. Guys, stop distracting me. I'm kidding. I love you guys. Oh, no, not 91 or higher. No, not 91 or higher. I want 91 or higher. Hold on. I'm going to recall this. Hold on. Sorry. 91 or higher. I want a picky pack of 91 or higher. I'm sorry. I'm going to call this back. I'm very, very sorry. Sorry, here it comes. Sorry about that. If Red Rooster doesn't show up in this stream, okay, show me your tickets. Tickets? Tickets? What? What tickets? Sakura, behave. Oh, behave. You will be that number. Okay, hold on. That was a Pokemon. Let's try again. So picky pack, any, deposit. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Picky pack 91 or higher. Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, one day midnight we are gonna battle you and me, and I will stream it. I will stream my humiliation of being beaten by you. Who just subscribed? Pixelsoft! Wow, Pixelsoft just subscribed! Thank you for subscribing! I have a feeling you already have in the past. Anyway, welcome back. Did somebody take the Chikorita? Got it. Tippy got it. I'm happy you got it. I'm glad you got it. Take good care of my Chikorita, okay? I mean mine. It's yours now. Shiny Nebby. Lama, I didn't know you play Pokemon games. Yes, I do, Shiny Nebby. I do. I haven't streamed actual Pokemon game, though. I haven't actually played some actual Pokemon in months. I need to play some Pokemon, but I end up doing giveaways for everyone. Thank you so much for subscribing, Kurt Games Vlogs. Welcome to my streams. I'll try my best to keep you entertained. What? It's me, Mario. Let's go. All right, trade it. Okay, TP, no problem. See you next time. Julian is lurking. Julian is lurking. Sakura, by the way. Sakura, by the way. Gunther is coming up with a new song. I saw the trailer for the song. I love Logi's laugh, and I just laughed. Oops. Can you do it for Cutie Fly? Maybe the next one. TCG. We'll try for the maybe the next one. All right. Next are Cyndaquils, guys. Okay, I'm gonna finish the box of Chikoritas. Next are Cyndaquils. Vlog, can you can abuse the subscriber glitch? Can I abuse the subscriber glitch? How do I do that? How do I make it look like I have 1 million? I don't care. I don't care about numbers, honestly. That is why I don't... Hold on, let me deposit because I'm rambling. But that is why I don't do a sub count, like a sub goal. I don't do that because I hate... I don't want to make it about subscribers. It's not about that. My streams are about having fun. Alright, that is why sometimes I get carried away. I put the controller down and end up chatting with you guys in chat. Alright. Did I say hi to you, Volgem? I don't know if I did. I am so sorry. I see so many usernames. Thanks for my 7 chikorritas and Totodile. FSN. You see, FSN is snagging all the chikorritas. You see, come on guys, don't let him. He's got 7 now. Come on, you take his. Volgem got it. I'm happy for you. There will be more. There will be more, Joe. Don't worry about it. There will be more. I've got more. About another 10. Don't worry. I believe you owe me an apology. Shiny Nevi apparently owes Sakura an apology. Do it. Do it now! You gave me a level 55 Picky Peck. That's nice. Seems legit. Is it? I don't know. If you keep on unsubbing and subbing, you'll get spammed. Really? Really? Does it work? Really? I'm gonna try it. Hold on. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try something. What Pixelsoft said real quick. Hold on. I'm gonna open another browser real quick. And I'm gonna check with my other account. Alright, so deposit real quick. Come on, let's move on. Let's move it. I want to move on to Cyndaquils real quick. We've been streaming an hour and we still haven't given away all the chikorritas. Come on. That can't be right. I have another box to give away. Let's see. I'm gonna try unsubbing and resubbing again. Hold on, I'm gonna see. I don't think it works, to be honest with you, Pixel. I'm just giving you the benefit of the doubt. As far as I know, it doesn't work. Okay, so I unsubscribed from myself. Wait a minute, what? Oh, yes, I unsubscribed from myself. I'm gonna resub again. With my second account, of course. So, let's see. I just resubbed. I don't think it's gonna work, though. I don't think it works like that, Pixel, to be honest with you. But I just like to see if it works or not, that's all. It worked before. Yes, but if you unsub and you leave it for a while, like a couple of days, and then you resub, it doesn't work instantly. Alright, so... why did I not deposit this? I'm so sorry. Can you do countdowns in the chat? Like what countdown? What do you mean? What kind of countdowns? Countdowns for what? Yeah, FMS or FSN or something. He needs to go soon, so he won't be snagging any more chikorritas anyway. But then again, it is first come, first served, so if he's more skilled than everyone else at snagging them, you know. Oh, Joe is disappointed. Apparently he didn't get it. I'm so sorry. Did they take it already? Hold on. Did they snag it already? Wow, already. Wow, these Pokemon I think are going faster than last time, huh? When I was giving away the Kanto starters. I am so sorry! Who got it then? Somebody must have got it. Everybody's saying no in chat. What's my favorite shiny? Okay, I'm gonna go back again to saying my favorite shiny. It may sound lame, but one of my favorite shinies is Umbreon. Shiny Umbreon, because I love the rings on his ears and the tail being blue. And I love a shiny Charizard Y. Shiny Charizard Y. Get it? Because he goes black. I like Charizard X, but I don't like the flames coming out of his mouth. So that's why I prefer Charizard Y, but shiny. Does it make sense? Shiny. Look, his favorite shiny is Gunther. Oh my goodness. Sakura, that made me lol. And there's no need to tell you that because you heard it. What's my favorite starter Pokemon? Charmander. Definitely. And Totodile. Definitely. I'm old school. Hey, Cascade! Welcome! Nice to see you! Nice to see you! There's no Pokemon. Yes, there is. Yes, there is, Shiny Nebby. There is. Yes, there is. Sakura, you tell me, what type of Pokemon is Gunther? He's a masculine type Pokemon. Alright. Deposit. Wow, I end up talking and sometimes I get distracted. Sorry. Sorry, let's move on. Come on. The muscular Pokemon. He's not. We don't know if he's muscular. We never saw him shirtless or anything like that, so we can't really say if he's always wearing black. So maybe he's a dark type Pokemon. He has a mullet. Look, can for the last two Cyndaquils and they need three other. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I'm not understanding the sentence. I'm very very sorry, Midna. Can for the last two, the Cyndaquil and the Totodice. I think you mean I need three other. I want you, girl. I'm so sorry. I'm not understanding. Did I come at the wrong time? No, Cascade. Come in. Welcome. Entry, please. Entry. Come in. And if you play Pokemon, feel free to snag some Chikoritas. All I need is Pikipeks from you. Come on, go get me some Pikipeks. Let me see Gunther for a moment. I'll tell you if he's muscular or not. You can't tell. You can't tell. Sakura, you cannot tell. I mean, if you had to see me in real life, you'd be like, Vloggy's not muscular. If you see me with good clothes on. But if I take my shirt off, you'd be like, oh man, this guy is so muscular. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna stop it. Scraggy. Alright, that's enough. Did somebody take Chikorita? Let's see. Traded. Nice. You guys are fast. You guys are fast. Can you do a countdown in the chat so we know when the Pokemon is on the GTS? The thing is this, giveaways. I would love to do that, but the thing is this. I only have how many people watching? I only have 20 people watching. It's not that bad to snag my Pokemon. It's not that bad, you know. If I have 100 people watching, yes, I will do a countdown so it's more fair, you know. But 20 people is not that much anyway, you know. I have enough for. I have more than 20 here available, so you know what I mean. Vloggy being kinky. You know what I mean. But so maybe in the future I will do a countdown, but I only have 20 people watching, so it's not like it's that crowded, you know. If it gets crowded in the future, maybe one day. Scraggy's got yes. If somebody subscribes right now, you get to see Scraggy pulling up his pants. That was the point. Scraggy celebrates that there's a new subscriber coming in, but then his pants drop and he has to stop celebrating and grab his pants back up, you know. Anyway, deposit. The pantalones. I just realized that Scraggy is fantastic because, you know, me, pantalones. Oh, I must drop my 2DS. Alright, deposit. Yes. Sorry. Hit that like the button if you like Pokemons. Thank you very much, Sakura. Listen to what Sakura says. Sakura is awesome. Somebody else, look at Scraggy. Rebecca, thank you for subscribing. Look at Scraggy pulling up his pants. He drops them, oops, and he grabs them back up. Oop. Oh man, it's so funny. Anyway, you guys are so funny. Scraggy got KSI trousers. What are KSIs? Is it like a brand? We're not familiar with KSI. If there's something with, I don't know. I never heard of KSI. Maybe it's a US thing. I am from Europe, so maybe we don't have KSIs here. I don't know. Anywho, let's see if somebody already took Chikorita. Traded. Wow, you guys are so fast. But yes, I will do a countdown in the future, I promise. But it's it's too soon to make countdowns. You know, I will eventually. Joe got it! Finally, Joe, I'm so happy for you. Finally, Joe got one. Finally, Joe. FSN is like, finally, Joe. Everybody's happy Joe got it. I am happy Joe got it. Hashtag Joe got it. You know what? Let's keep this going. Joe got it. Let's go again. How many Pokemon left? How many Chikoritas left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 left. That's half of my audience right now, you see. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. And then we're gonna vote. Then we are gonna vote on the next Pokemon that you get to deposit. Alright? Oh, it looks like the thing got burned. The sub alert got burned onto the screen. Hold on, I'm gonna fix that real quick. Gonna fix that. Alerts. Switch off. Switch on. Wow, it's so weird. It got burnt into the screen. You see that? It happens. It happens often. I don't know if you guys... Joe got it 2017. Everybody hashtagging Joe. Joe got it. Oh, you guys. Let's see if Joe gets another one. Hello, Sparrow Mist. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Here's what's going on. Well, I mean, probably you can see what's going on. Everybody gets the deposit picky pack, and I'm giving away shiny Johto starters. We started with Chikorita. I have about 9 left, apparently. Once we're done with Chikoritas, we're moving on to Cyndaquils. Please still do picky pack. We'll get to vote, Volgem. We'll vote. We'll see. Everybody what they say. All right. Did somebody get it? Let's see. I'm sure you guys did already. Deposited. There it comes. Shiny Nebby. I'm curious. Do you actually have a shiny Nebby? Do you actually have a shiny Nebby? Your username is Shiny Nebby. Do you have a shiny Nebby? Joe has a ton of Piki Packs. We'll vote. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it, alright? Deposit. Hold on a sec, guys. I'm gonna mute it for a sec, real quick. I'll be right back. And I'm back. No, I didn't go pee, if you were wondering. Hold on, You don't, Shiny Nebby? You deserve one, you know? You deserve one. Maybe next stream I'll give you one, Shiny Nebby. Maybe I'll give you one in the next stream. Who knows? Alright, let's see if you guys got this one as well. Traded. Wow, you guys are fast. I love it. Sakura, accept his apology. Sakura, accept Nebby's apology. I made Nebby apologize. Now you take his apology. You take it. I need a shiny Totodile and Chikorita. Snag your Chikoritas right now. Totodile soon. Soon. You never got one? Really? Oh, I'm so sorry. How am I checking GTS? Nothing. Look, this is what I'm doing. You can see on screen what I'm doing. Look, simply deposit. Deposit. Yes. Somebody just subscribed. Who is it? It's Cool Kids. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing. Look at Scraggy. He's happy. He's happy. He's so happy that his pants are falling off. Thank you for subscribing. So yeah, I'm just depositing this Pokemon, and whoever gets it first, basically. Hey, Amy gets claws out. What's wrong? What's wrong? Are you Wolverine? Amy Wolverine Gaming? I'm too lazy to catch a Pikachu. I'm just here. Cascade. Oh, so sorry. You will take that apology and you will like it, boy. Hang on. Let me see if I can read that in a nice voice. You will take that apology and you will like it, boy. Don't make me get the belt. Oh man. FSN, your pants will fall down. I like it, the scraggy, the pants thing. With me, it's perfect. It's me. You know, I stream without pants most of the time, you know, except when it's winter and when it's cold. When it's summer, yes, no pants stream. Can you do that, Tippy? Alright, I'm curious. I hate spamming, but I want to see if it works. I just tried it with my own account, with my second account, and it didn't work. You can try if you want, see if it works, but I don't think it does. Make sure that you're going to play around with subbing and unsubbing. Make sure that you remain subbed, okay? Amy Vlog is doing a no pants stream. No pantalones. Hey, Rebecca got it. I'm happy for you. You just joined and you got one. I'm happy for you. So I'm gonna take your Picky Peck real quick. Yeah, I don't think it works, DP. Pixelsoft earlier said it works, but it doesn't. How are you, Amy? How is Mr. Bosco? Any teabagging lately? Rebecca got one. Vloggy being creepy. What? I'm not being creepy. Ah, yeah, because of my voiceover. Yes, because of my voiceover. Traded. Sorry. I forgot to claim my Pokemon. No pantalones. Oh, guys, by the way, I have another shirt coming out very soon. I have a line of shirts coming out very soon, and there's a funny, awesome one. I can't wait to show you guys, but not yet. It's still too soon. He's okay, still rough. He's going tomorrow for another check. Okay, that's awesome. But he's getting better, is he? I read your tweet that he's getting better, and that's fantastic. So adorable. I'm probably just gonna hatch a bunch of Picky Packs. You do that, Sparrow Mist. You do that. Take your time. You do that. Well, how many do we have? Hold on, before I say take your time. Hold on. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got 6 more to go. We got 6 more to go. Yes. Oops, forgot to deposit. I checked my phone before depositing the Pokemon. That shouldn't happen. VloggyBuddy, I need 3 of the alligators and Cyndaquil. Yes, no problem. Now you can have 8 or 10 if you want, if you can do it. You know. But yeah. So where are we at? Did you tweet when? Do you tweet when you stream? Yes, I do, FSN. That's why I said. I mean, I don't like begging for follows because it's not what I'm about. Honestly, I don't like begging for subscribers and stuff. But yeah, I mean, I do tweet, you know, and I tweeted earlier this week saying, you know, I feel like doing a Pokemon giveaway this weekend, you know, so I can give heads up, you know. So anyway, did you guys take this one as well? Let's see. I need 3 Totodiles and 3 Cyndaquils. You can have 8 of each if you want. Traded, nice. We're gonna move on to the Cyndaquil very soon. Hey Vloggy, can you stop doing GTS wars and do reverse GTS? I don't even know how that works. What's reverse GTS? What's reverse GTS? Sorry, I'm not familiar with the term. Ah. Deposit. Hold on. Deposit. Okay. You put a Pokemon. We put a Pokemon and you trade us. Oh, okay. It's interesting. Maybe we should do that next time. Alright, we'll do that next time though. Let's stick to this format for this time. Maybe next time, yes. Maybe next time, yes. Almost time for Cyndaquil. Yeah. Maybe we'll do it next time like that. But let's keep... Cool Kids got it. I am happy for you. I am happy for you. Alright. Here, take my kidney for the shiny Sylveon. Are you sure? Are you sure? I will take your soul. No, but seriously, I mean, I'll take a spare kidney. I'm sure I could do with 3. I could do with 3 kidneys. All right. All right. So, deposits. So Midna, just so we're clear, you want 2 Chikoritas, yes? I'm saving 2 Chikoritas for you. Are we correct? Yes, I still have Totodile, Volchem. They're coming. They're coming! But they're coming after Cyndaquil. I like to move. I like to be to do them grass, fire, and then water. My OCD. Here comes another one. One. Okay, Midna just wants one. I'm gonna save one for you. Can I have two of each, please? Yeah, you can. You see how the system is going, Pokemon giveaways. You know, you see how it's going. You can just snag as many as you can. You know. Hey, behave, Sakura. You tell him off, Sakura. I'm assuming him. I'm sorry. I hate assuming genders. Let's see. Summary. Let's see if you took this one already. Joe got it. Joe got two Chicoritas. Yes. Traded. We're good. I'm not gonna save anyone for. I'm not gonna save anything for anybody. I'm sorry, I cannot do that because then I have to. If I save it for you, I'm gonna have to save it for everyone else. All right. I'm gonna do an exception for Midna because Midna, she spent a lot of time, and I mean a lot of time trying to get me a particular Pokemon. All right, and so I'm doing an exception for her. All right. So, two left. You can call these two left because the last one is for Midna. Alrighty then, and I'm gonna do Darth Vader voice. No, it doesn't sound like Darth Vader. No. No, I can't do a Darth Vader. I'm sorry. I cannot do Darth Vader. Chewbacca. I can do Chewbacca. I cannot do Chewbacca. I'm so sorry. This is my first time seeing a stream of yours. I just love it. You just earned a subscribe. Thank you so much, Joe. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. You got that one? Nice. I'm happy for you, Nervash. One last Chikorita, guys. I'm gonna give away the shiny Yoshi next. I'm kidding. Doesn't work like that. Can you imagine? Vloggy's terms. Come first serve. No hold-ups. Exactly. I'm only doing an exception for Midna because Midna has been looking for a Pokemon for me for months. Yeah, it's been months. It has been months, yeah, and she kept messaging me from time to time, telling me, "Listen, I've done this much progress and this." She kept me posted, you know. So I'm gonna do exception just for Midna. Other than that, I'm listening to the stream in the background, and the noises made me interested. Cascade. Oh man. Imitate Yoshi. I cannot imitate Yoshi. I can imitate Mario. It's me, Mario! Woohoo! Let's go! One last Chikorita. I heard that this is the best one, apparently. I'm kidding. It's just the same as the others. Well, you know how it is when it's the last crisp in the bag and you get to take that last crisp? It's always the best one. Alright, here it comes. Whoever is gonna take it wins. Wins GTS Wars. What kind of Pokemon are you? How do you do the things you do? Vloggy's Mario in real life. Woohoo! Sakura! Sakura #1! Oh man. He just shaved his mustache. Oh, you know what? You know what? One of these days, I'm gonna grow a mustache and I'm gonna do a stream with a face cam with my mustache. I'm gonna do it. I am gonna do it very, very, no, not very, very soon. I need to grow the mustache first. But yeah, mustache, mustache. And it's gone. It's gone already? Somebody snagged it already? Really? Really? You guys are fast. You guys are fast. I love that. Whoopsie. Got it. Thanks. Oh, I'm glad you got it. Hang on, let me see if I can say your name right. Drakenstern. Did I say that right? Drakenstern? I'm glad you got it. And take good care of it. That's the important thing. Raise it with love. Mario cosplay. I will never do that. I hate the way Mario looks. What Chinese you get? This sounds hot. Oh, you guys. Alright, so, did we just lag for a little bit? According to mine, we just lagged. And we just fell behind a little bit, but that's fine. That's fine. So, next one is for Midna. Midna, are you ready? Midna, wake up. Quit. I'm gonna do a quick link trade. How do you do it? I forgot how it's done. Link trade, there it is. Link trade. I think I have added Midna before. Yes. Update. How do you do this? Updated. Midna, help! I don't know how to do a link trade. I'm a noob. Guest list. Hold on. VIPs. Guest list. VIPs. How do you do this? How do I trade with my friends? Midna, help me, please! Help me, please! I don't know how to do this. Honestly, I don't. After I'm done with Midna, I'm here. She's here. Alright, after I'm done with Midna, I'm gonna... Hold on, is this it? No, this is my profile. Clap, clap, clap. How do I do this? Where do I tap? Trade? Link trade? Guest list? VIP list? I don't know how this is done. The poor vlog is lost. I am lost. I went into link trade, but then what? I have added you in the past. Can you confirm that we're friends already? Is this Midna? Midna, is this you? Yes, it is! Oh, I took a shot in the dark. It is Midna. Hello, Midna. Hold on a sec. This is you, right? This is you, right? This has to be you. You really know. Has to be you. What is this? Bye. Bye, have a great time. How do we trade? I don't know. So what do I do? I mean, this is her, I think. Yes. Hello, Alola. Thank you for the link trade. I came to Puzzle Play. One of your guests. All right. How have you been lately? How have you been lately? Alright, why are you telling me your history? Don't tell me your history! Let me try again. Hold on. Let's try again. Hold on. Trade. Link trade. Oh, there it is! Alright, I found you! Found you! Somebody just subscribed. Samira, thank you for subscribing. Thank you so much. Take a seat, go grab some Pokemon, and I'm gonna give away more shinies after I'm done with Midna real quick. Alright. Alright, okay, so your username on my chat, it says Midna. But here it says Minda. Which one is it? Are you lying to me, Midna? Are you lying to me, Midna Wolf? Which one is it? Are you Minda or Midna? For a second, I panicked. I was like, am I saying her name wrong? Requesting a link trade. Come on! Come on! I haven't had some nuts. I'm gonna chew now. I'm gonna mute while I chew. Pokemaster 4,500 just subscribed. Thank you so much. Oh, there she is. There she is. Here it comes. Here it comes. What's going on? Jade. Sorry if I'm chewing in your faces right now. Chomp, chomp, chomp. I'm sorry. I am so sorry. That's so rude. I was meant to mute it and I forgot. I am so sorry. I will not chew anymore. I'm gonna have a sip of beer now. That was on purpose. I'm sorry. Slurp, slurp. I'm kidding. It won't happen again. I'm sorry. I'm done. I'm done joking around. And I got my salandit. It's a female, right? Oh, I love it. Thank you so much, Midna. You have more? What else do you have? What else do you have? What else do you have? All right. Let me give you what would you like while we're here? Since we're doing the link trade real quick. What would you like? I'm going to give you you're going to give me more. But these are male. No. Female, sorry. Here comes another one. I'm going to give you one of each and then I'll have to move on because I have people waiting, okay? I'm very sorry. Trade. So I'm going to give you one of each for now, and I have to move on to the GTS Wars once again, because there's people waiting, alright? You're back. Your phone died. Welcome back. What about the Caterpie? Yes, and the Caterpie, yes. I promised you the Caterpie, Midna, yes. Yes. That's true. For your sister, right? Let's give you the Caterpie. Where is it? I'm bummed out that... Cancel. I am bummed out that Red Rooster didn't show up in the stream. Which one is the shiny though? Hold on. Which one is the shiny? Where's the shiny? I don't see the shiny. Hold on, what are these? Oh, there it is. Shiny Caterpie. Alright, you take it. You take it. You take it. Having another sip. It's funny how my layout says Pokemon Moon, but I'm actually playing from Pokemon Sun right now. Sorry! I wasn't bothered changing it. Alright, so I'm gonna give Midna Shiny Totodile real quick. And I'm gonna move on. Yes, Pokemon giveaways, they're coming. They're coming. One last trade with Midna and moving on. But she worked hard on getting me these Salandits, so... They're coming. I've got more shinies coming up. I've got Cyndaquils coming up next. Oh, it's time to vote, guys, by the way. What would you like to send? What would you like to deposit? What's the best Pokemon to deposit? Spam it in the chat. Spam it in the chat right now. We're currently doing Pikipeks. Do you want to stick to Pikipeks or not? Alright, that's it then. I'm gonna have to go back to GTS Wars. Feisty! Feisty! Nice to see you, Feisty! Everybody's saying piggyback, 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 piggyback. Young Goose. It's everybody's going for piggyback. We're gonna stick with piggybacks apparently. Rock and rollers. Cascade. Mewtwo's. No, but seriously. We're gonna stick with piggybacks apparently. Everybody wants piggyback. Hey ho! How are you, Feisty? We're gonna stick with piggybacks apparently. Alright, we're gonna stick with piggybacks. Piggyback! Piggyback! I hope you enjoy your Pokemon, Midna. So, GTS. So I'm gonna be depositing Cyndaquils next. Alright? So, depositing and keep sending in those Piggy Packs and we'll take it from there. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. Look at this island, it's so cute. Thank you so much, huh? I love it. Alright, here comes the first one. Oh yeah, I'm gonna give you the natures and the properties of this Piggy Peck. Alright, so it's a Totodile, it's a male, level 2. He knows Water, Gun, and Scratch. He's shiny, of course, and he's got a jolly nature, and the ability is Sheer Force. Here we go. Mewtwo. Here they come. Pokemon wanted. Piggy Peck. Deposit. Here they come. Here they come, guys. First come, first serve. Who's gonna grab the first Totodile? Come on, I'm curious. Who's gonna snap? Say it in the chat if you manage to get the first one. I'm curious. Let's see who's the best. Like no one ever was. My sis gave up on trying to. I need to get one more Sunday Quill and the alligator. Yeah, no problem, no problem. Come on, you can just go ahead. Deposit Piggy Packs now. I'll be more than happy to give you more. But I have to get back to the GTS war now, because I can't keep people on hold. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Who got the first Totodile? Gone already. People are saying it's gone already. Wow. Alright, you got it first. Can I say your name right? Drachenstern or Drakestern? I'm glad you got it. Take good care of Totodile. This is my favorite starter in the Johto region. My fave. My fave. Deposit. Here it comes. Send me those Piggy Packs, guys. Catch Piggy Packs. First come, first served. Oh, that's very sweet of you, Medna. Why you sad, Cascade? Why you make a sad face? Come on, turn the frown upside down. It's already gone? Seriously? Seriously? Wow! Oh, wow, so fast. Alright. But it's good that you keep me posted that it's already gone. It's good that you do that. So I move on. You keep doing that. Whenever you find it's gone, let me know in chat right away so I move on. Okay. Aburami Girl 32 got it. Nope, no, 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 no! Why am I renaming the box? Here comes another. Hey, Zeron TXE. I cannot say your name either. Why does everybody have complicated usernames? Zeron. Welcome to the stream. Nice to see you, buddy. Long time no see. Gone. All right, good. It's good that you're telling me that they're gone. I can move on, you know, right away. Joe Pearson got it. Yeah, he's among the first now to get it. I'm happy for you. Since you struggled so much with getting fast people. Yeah, since you struggled so much with getting those picky packs and the carapace earlier. So, yeah. I'm happy for you. Deposits. Moving on. Come on, I have a whole box. I've seen streams where they have like automatic bots set up when they do the distributions, and they just let the stream running on their own. I don't know how they do that. I wish I could do that, like having an automated system where it streams and deposits Pokemon and delivers. It's so awesome. I wish I could do that. It's gone already. Excellent. Moving on. I like it that you keep telling me that it's gone already. Sparrow Mist got it. Nice. Hey Gerald, welcome to the stream. Nice to see you. Okay, cool kid. You're either spamming or or you fell asleep on the keyboard. Don't. Is it gone already? Is it gone already? I'm assuming it's gone. I'm gonna assume it's... Hold on. No. I didn't even deposit anything. I'm saying, is it gone already? I'm stupid. How do I win off the starters? Okay, Gerald, all you need to do is just deposit a picky pack, first come, first served. I'm just depositing them, requesting picky packs. That's it. The Sylveon, I just realized, the Sylveon is... I was looking at the stream, and the Sylveon has Pokerus. I just realized. Alright. I know, Nervash. Stupid buddy. So yeah, all you do is just deposit picky pack. Alright, and I'm requesting picky packs. You found the shiny picky pack. You see, Midna? That's what you get for hunting picky packs for the stream. You see, you ended up with a shiny picky pack now. I want it. I must have it. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You keep it. Alright, so. Okay, Nervash got it. Wow, you're so fast. Nice. Traded. Nice. Gone. I was like, gone! Gone! Once again, guys, if you are enjoying the stream and you want more shinies, and you want to, you know, stay posted on when I do these streams, when I give away the shiny starters, I'm gonna be giving away every single starter from every single generation. All right. So what you need to do is just subscribe. You know, for your own good. If you want more shinies. The next set is the Hoenn region. Varro, welcome. How are you, Varro? How have you been? Would you like a shiny Chikorita? No, not Chikorita. Now I'm giving away... What am I giving away? What am I giving away? Totodice, apparently. I was supposed to give away Cyndaquils. I just realized now. Oh, man. I'm giving away Totodice, apparently. I was supposed to move on to Cyndaquils. But anyway. You don't need to nickname anything. No. First come, first served. My sister told me to get... No, no, no. I don't want to take it away from her. No, no. No, you guys keep it. No, so sweet of you. Gone already? Wow. I'm impressed. Last time I streamed, I kid you not, guys, when I gave away the Kanto starters, I had to wait a while before they were taken away. You know, somebody subscribed, and it's Zapped Angels. Thank you so much for subscribing. Look at Scraggy, he's happy. Depositing another one. More totodiles. I was supposed to do Cyndaquils next. Stupid, stupid. Seriously, you never got a win zapped? Come on. Come on, why not? Vloggy, you need to hire Nightbot. Let's hire Nightbot. Let's do this. Sakura requests Nightbot, so let's do Nightbot. Somebody else subscribe. Gerald, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate the sub. I'll try my best to keep you entertained. So, log in. I'm gonna hire Nightbot real quick. Log in with YouTubes. I like Nightbot. I miss Nightbot. By the power of YouTube, Nightbot, I summon you! Top chatter. Join channel. Nightbot is coming, guys. Nightbot is coming. Nightbot is coming. Hold on a sec. Sakura wants Nightbot. I give her a Nightbot. I'll give her anything she wants. What's my favorite shiny? I love Charizard Y. My favorite shiny is a Charizard Y. And also, I like Umbreon. A shiny Umbreon. Alright, let me see if Nightbot's here. Nightbot, SYB. My favorite command. Albert Wesker set this up, I think. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry to hear, Zapped. Okay, take your time, V4. Beaver, I don't need a shiny Dupider. Dupider. I don't need it. I'm giving it away for a Pikipek, for a lame Pikipek. I don't want to take away the shiny from you. You know, Beaver? Come on. Trade it. Good. Winter's been coming for 5 years in Game of Thrones. I know, right? I like Charizard too. I play a shiny Charizard with Megastone. Yeah, I know, right? Guys, would you like chat in game? Should I put chat in the stream or not? Or should I leave it as it is? It's too crowded, isn't it? No, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. It's too crowded. No, Vloggy, I hate shiny Dupider. And honestly, I don't really need a shiny Dupider. Somebody just subscribed. Who is it? It's Mr. Axe. Thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate that. Take a seat, grab some Pikipeks, and I'll give you some Totodiles. Please like and subscribe for the VloggyBuddy for more great content. I love that so much. Look how it's spelled. Look. Please like and subscribe the VloggyBuddy for more great content. I think Albert Wesker set that up. I don't know if it's Albert or Emily. But yeah, I love that. That's my favorite command. Oh man. Let's see, is it gone? People are saying it's gone. Thank you for telling me, guys. When you tell me it's gone, I act fast and I replace it right away. So thank you. Keep that up. What? I'm back, sorry guys. Depositing. Who subscribed? It's Boomer the Bomb. Just subscribe. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. Welcome. Deposit Pokemons. Here it comes. Give me Pikipeks, guys. Go get Pikipeks. And I love it when people in chat interact with each other and they end up trading between each other. I love that because this is a community. You know, I love that so much. This is what this is. There you go. Sakura, I would like a funny command from you on Nightbot. Can you set one up? Come on. Set one up. I want a funny command from Sakura. I don't know. An exclamation Sakura and it triggers a funny command. Is there another Pokemon you want from the game, VloggyBuddy? I don't think so. I don't think so, no. I don't think so. I don't think so. I don't think there is. Anyone have a shiny Totodile? They're coming! They're coming! Pokemon giveaways, look! They're coming! Is it gone already? It's gone. Thank you for telling me. Here comes another one. Welcome back, Shiny Nebby. Welcome back. Where is Red Rooster? Red Rooster's been showing up at my streams saying, where's my shiny Vulpix? Where's my shiny Vulpix? I'm like, I'm sorry, man. Next week, next stream, next this, next that. I keep saying that, but... and now that I'm doing a stream, Red Rooster's not here. Hey, Vloggy, what's Wailor's favorite TV show? Wheel of Fortune! Wheel of Fortune! I like that. Anyone else got some lame Pokemon puns? I love Pokemon puns. Welcome back, Fireman. Just in time to snag another Totodile. Oops. Philly! I love it that when Philly comes into the stream, he always go VB for VloggyBuddy, of course, and then actually emoji. I love that. We're gonna do it very soon, Philly. It's gonna happen very soon. I said I'm gonna do it when I hit 1,500 subscribers. How am I at right now? I don't even know. Hold on. I said when I hit 1,500 subscribers. We're getting there. We're getting there. I'm at 1,444 right now. Unless this is not a live count. Hold on. Live sub count. Hold on. Hold on. I need to check this out real quick. In the meantime, let me deposit this Pokemon. What am I doing? VloggyBuddy. I'm at 1,446 actually. I'm very close. When I hit 1,500, there's going to be a chili stream, alright? I'm going to be playing a game. And each time I get damaged in Resident Evil 2, I will eat a full chili. A whole one. A whole chili. I'm not even kidding. But we're still far away. We're still far away. I mean, far away. By the summer, definitely. Alright, is it gone? No Cyndaquils yet. They're on their way. They're on their way. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. They're on their way. Gone. Sparrow Mist says it's gone. You see, this time it's faster. The stream, the Pokemon are going way faster. Last time I had to wait around for people to grab the Pokemon. This time it's faster, and I like that. Make sure you subscribe, guys, because I mean, I'm not begging for subs. I'm just saying for you guys. If you want more starters, I'm gonna be giving away every single starter from every single generation. All right. Next up are the Holland ones, and the only way of you finding out what I'm gonna be doing next stream is by staying subscribed, you know, and stuff. All right, depositing. Last time you ate was New Year's. They weren't even chilies, Philly. They weren't even chilies. They were habaneros. They were even hotter than chilies. But since my next challenge is gonna be eating chilies, which are less hot than habaneros, but I'm gonna be eating one every single time I get damaged. Alright, so that's gonna be much more in quantity, but they're gonna be less in heat, you know? Remember, last time I played Resident Evil 2, I got damaged 19 times. That would mean 19 chili peppers. That's crazy. Do you guys want to see that? Make me reach 1,500 subs, and it will happen. Alright. I can't believe it's not butter! Volcha, that was awesome! I'm gonna tweet that. I'm gonna tweet that. I'm gonna tweet that. I can't believe it's not butter. Anybody else did some great puns that I missed? That was so awesome. Where did Brock Take Nurse Joy for a date. The Pokeball. Ah, I like that. Any more? Oh man. Oh man. Is it gone? Voljam says it's gone. Hold on. I'm gonna tweet that. I'm gonna tweet that right now. I can't believe it's not better. I can't believe it's not better. I love that. Which Pokemon does Dracula like the most? Coffin! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys. VloggyBuddy, when you are done, let's battle or another time. No, we're gonna battle another time because I have to go out when we're done doing these. And I have retro. What did it say? Retro something. I missed it. But yeah, we definitely will battle. Next time I do a Pokemon stream, we'll start the stream with a battle you and me, Midna. That's a promise. Next time I do a Pokemon stream, we'll start it off with a battle you and me. Okay, cool. We battle. But not now, because after I'm done with these, I'm gonna have to head out. We're gonna take some pictures of the sky tonight. Some stars. Which reminds me, later go check the sky. See if the... Well, not now, you don't have to do it now, but you can go out the balcony if you want. Alright, that was the thing. Actually, I'm gonna go check the sky real quick myself as well. See if the clouds have cleared. I'm gonna be right back, guys. I'm gonna put the DS down over here. And I'm gonna mute the mic, and I'll be right back. Hold on. Boop! Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm sorry. I had to go check out the sky. And yes, the clouds have cleared. It's a nice, perfect sky for photography tonight. Alright, so, summary of today. I'm sure it's gone. I'm sure it's gone. You guys are fast. Gotta go fast! There you go. What did I miss in chat? Did I miss anything interesting? You got 5 Chikorritas, Fireman. Why not? If you can snag 5 Chikorritas, take the 5 Chikorritas. Why not? Why not? Alright, so, how are you doing in chat? Is everything okay? Everything's fine. Everything seems to be okay. Yes? I'm still here. Deposit. Let's go. Wow, I think we're almost halfway through the box of Totodiles. Next is Cyndaquils. And we get to decide which Pokemon we deposit again. Where do hunters buy their milk and eggs? The grocery store. The grocery store. I got it. The grocery store. All right, so. Got it. Okay, good. It's great that you tell me that you got it and it's gone. I like that. It's a good system we have, you and me. It's nice. So we move fast. I'm on a roll. Yes, you are. Can you save me? Save you from what? You accidentally pressed summary. Alexandria. I'm not sure I said hi to you. I'm so sorry if I haven't. So hi. Deposit. Here comes another one. Open wide. Here comes an airplane. Oops, 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 oops. Hang on. Depositing. Here it comes. What do you call a really cold lillipop? A popsicle. Are you making these up right now? They're awesome. You're gonna go. You're going to go. My sister needs a cynical. Well, yeah, you stick around and I'll give you a cynical. But I can't just make exceptions, Midnight. You know how it is. I'll get in trouble. Everybody's gonna be like, "Why you make exceptions and not for me?" You know, and I don't want to get in trouble. You get me in trouble with other people, you know. You know. I'll probably be here for another hour. I think I'm gonna be here for another hour. I guess. So if you can go and come back, maybe I don't know. Hey, Tariq. Tariq got it. Here it comes. What do Ratata like doing? Stealing. I'm not so sure about this one. I'm not so sure about this. What do Ratata like doing? Stealing. I don't get it. I don't get it. Don't worry, lol, I can try and... Okay, there's more Totodiles coming, guys. There's more Totodiles coming. If there's some of you that still didn't get Totodiles, I still have, let's count them real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 more Totodiles to go. Up for grabs, here it comes. I am requesting Peaky Packs, guys. Up there, look, it says Peaky Pack. Deposit. As much as cool as it is having an automatic system, like the streams that I told you about, like the bots, they have an automatic delivery system on the GTS, and he can leave his stream running on its own. He doesn't have to do anything. It's awesome and it's cool. I would love to do that, but you don't get to interact with the people you're trading with, you know, and there's that personal touch, you know. Fireman got it. Fireman! He was so fast! So yeah. Trade it. Anybody got a shiny Vaporeon for Volgem? I'm making an announcement. He wants a shiny Vaporeon. Hey, Omega Dragon! Or Dragoon. Nice to see you. Welcome to the stream. What I'm doing right now is I'm giving away shiny Totodiles. In return, I would like Peaky Packs. I will be in the future, Sparrow. I'm gonna keep doing. I mean, I'm gonna do all the. I'm gonna be doing all the starters from every single generation. We're still at the second gen. I'm gonna do all of them. All right, all of them gone. Okay. When I run out of all the starters, I'll start doing other sets like EVs, and why not? I'll start doing other sets, definitely. Don't worry, Beaver, you're still in time. You are still in time. Here comes another. I'm coming through your windows, snatching up your shinies. So lock your doors, close your windows. It's gone already. Are you snatching all of them, Fireman? Come on, give everybody else a chance if you're snagging all the... it's not fair. Come on. Come on, Fireman. If you got some... Hold on, summary. You stopped. Okay, Fireman, you stopped. He's hanging out with us in chat, you see? He stopped taking them. Okay, good. Good, good, good. Apparently I have a reputation here that you're snagging everyone's. Anyway. Here comes another one. YOLO. Hey, Tariq. YOLO. If you're happy and you know it, lock your shinies. It's gone. People are saying it's gone. Good. Moving on. Next one. I'm just gonna hunt for picky packs and wait for Cyndaquil. Fireman, hold on. We're gonna see. We're gonna have to decide which Pokemon to use, which Pokemon we're gonna deposit for Cyndaquils now. We're gonna vote again, you know? Democracy! I don't decide, you guys decide, okay? Take good care of Pikipek. Here comes another. How many do I have left? Hold on. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more Totodice, guys. 10 more Totodice. Did Beaver get one? Because he was saying he didn't get one. I hope he got one. I want Beaver to get one as well. That was the thing. We vote later, not now. Everybody's like, pick it back! Alright. So far everybody seems to be saying pick it back, but we'll decide when the time comes. Not now. I'm gonna have some peanuts now. I'm gonna mute before I chew, okay? So it doesn't happen again. I'm gonna mute before I chew. I'm gonna mute before I Pikachu. Get it? Where does Hunter go on vacation? Malibu! I'm gonna mute now while I chew these nuts. Burp. Burp. I'm kidding. Are they gone? Yes, people are saying it's gone. Sorry. I was chomping. On mute this time. Anywho. Apparently people are disappointed they didn't hear the chomping. Do you want to hear the chomping? I'll gladly eat. And chomp. Were you burping? No, I was kidding. I didn't burp. As if. I'm not like that. And if I had to expel gas on stream, it wouldn't be burping. Trust me. I'm more of a fan of farts, but I will never do that. Alright, deposit. Let's go. Yeah, when it comes to farting and fart jokes, I need to grow up. In fact, here's a little piece of trivia. The first sub alert that I had on my stream was actually a fart. It was a fart sound, and on screen Abe would appear like farting, like. It's true. Vloggy, grow up. That's a new sentence. I'm back. Hey, V4 is back. Everything's brighter now. Everything is brighter now. Everything has color in life because V4 is back. Welcome back. Today is my birthday. How old are you, V4? How old are you? And we want to know. Tell us. Come on. Come on. Come on. Are you 45? Tell us how old you are. I don't mind telling you how old I am. I'll tell you. I'm 23. I'm 23, right, Sakura? Alright. Is it gone? Is it gone? I'm gonna assume it's gone. Let's see. Yeah, traded. How old is Vloggy? You 23, Vloggy? I'm 11. Okay, guys, I don't want... please, Vloggy, you're 33, liar. Very close, V4, but no. Alright, guys, I don't want to trigger people saying their ages. I'm not comfortable with people saying their ages on stream. I was just kidding with V4, but please, especially if you're underage, I don't like people saying their ages. This is a face-to-face came from the GTS. Is face-to-face in chat? Is face-to-face still here? But yeah, it's not safe to say your age on chat and public stuff. It's for you guys. It's for your own safety, really. I don't mind. You do what you want, but, you know. Tiene 53 el vloggy, comadre. No tengo 53. Alright. What's 53 in Spanish? How do I say it? Can somebody help me out? What's 53 in Spanish? In Italian, it's 53. It's 53? I don't know. Hey, no name. Welcome. I like your username. Very original. I like that. I'll time all of you. I'll time out all of you for Vloggy. It's gone. Or as Voljem said, gooned. Oh, man. 347 years old. I like that. 347 years old. We already know your age, Vlog, anyway. No, you don't. You said 33. You said 33. So you don't know my age. V4. If you know my age, say it. V4 is also a regular here. That's why we're joking like this. Because I'm used to her now. I don't know, numbers up to 29 in French. Hang on, let me see. I studied French for like 8 years. Can I say 29 in French? Hold on. 29. Is that it? 29? No, I'm not 23. No, I was just kidding. Joe, I love you, buddy. Thank you for being here, but please chill with the caps. Because you're gonna get timed out. Not by me, not by my mods, but Nightbot will time you out. And it's like you're yelling at us. Please don't yell at us. I love you, buddy. Come on, man. Don't yell at us. Is it gone? Yes, people are saying it's gone. I would love to battle V4 one day, because Pokemon fan versus Pokemon fan, you know. And old school Pokemon fan. I'm a brutal bot. The game here is getting intense. Skeletor says, VloggyBuddy, can I please do a request for singular for a golem? I cannot make exceptions, Skeletor, because you'll get me in trouble with everyone else. They're gonna be like, oh, you made an exception for Skeletor, why not for me? And I'm gonna end up, you know, please, get Peaky Pecs. Please, you get me in trouble with everyone else. I end up making exceptions for everyone. And then new people are gonna come into the stream and they see me trading for a golem and they're gonna be like, but it says Peaky Peck up there, I want to get a Peaky Peck. It's not fair. I'm sorry. Please understand. I said 33 on purpose because I knew you wouldn't say so. Okay, so how old am I? Come on. Did you say it already? I'm gonna scroll up for a little bit. Hold on, because I miss chat sometimes. It scrolls up fast. No, you didn't say how old I am. Come on, say how old I am. Do I win a shiny battle stream? That's interesting. It's interesting. That is a very interesting stream, Volgem. Win a shiny battle. If you beat me, you get a shiny. I like that. I like that. It's gone. People saying it's gone. Yeah, also, that's a good idea as well. If you subscribe to my channel, make sure you also hit that bell button so you get notifications when I go live, so you can actually come in on time. No, not like, oh, I missed Vloggy's stream. You actually get a notification if you click the little bell next to the subscribe button. Yes, there you go. But you at least sound 30 years old. I sound 30. I am 31. I am 31. That would be an awesome stream though. Yeah. Have a battle and if you win, I'll give you a Pokemon. That would be awesome, yes. I like that. Beaver got it. Yes, I'm glad Beaver got it because Beaver has been here since the very beginning. Before the stream started, I think Beaver was here. Before even the stream started. And it annoys me when someone doesn't get a Pokemon. I want everyone to get one, you know. Vlog, I'll kick your European bum. You ain't 30. I'm 31. I'm 31. You click the bell. Yes, you click my bell. Okay, you got 3. That's good. You got 3. That's even better. That's nice. I want everybody happy. Johnny came back from the GTS. I just saw that on my stream. I like that. Alright, depositing another one. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 left. And then we're moving on to Cyndaquils. Cyndaquil! Deposit. Please like and subscribe for the VloggyBuddy for more great content. There's people here that have been waiting for something. I'm very sorry, but you gotta wait in line. You gotta wait in line. Come on, got it. Joe Peterson got it. Good. Joe got it. Here it comes. Man, I'm gonna have to release a lot of Peaky Pecks now. What's wrong, Omega Dragon? What's with the face? Come on, man. Smile. This is a happy stream. How many Pokemon impressions can you do? I can do a lot, actually. I can do a lot. Let's start from the first, like the first 8, 3, 6, 9. The first 9, all right? So we have Babasar. Oh, Babasar. And then there's Ivysaur. And then there's Venusaur. And then there's Squirtle. And then there's Wartortle. And then there's Blastoise. And then there's Charmander. And then there's Charmeleon. And then there's Charizard. I can keep going, but I'm gonna stop there. Because people are lolling. I'm gonna stop. Oh man. 4 more. Sakura's like, what the? Wouldn't it be better to stream on Twitch? Hi David Kassar. Welcome. Sounds like David we have two things. Me and David have two things in common. One, he's a fellow Malteser like me, assuming your surname from the surname, you're Maltese. And two, our favorite starter from the Sun and Moon generation is Lytton. So yeah, welcome to the stream. Vloggy sore. Hold on. Phoebe in the sore. Oh man. Vloggisaur, I choose you! Vloggisaur. I'm sorry, I'm getting distracted. Fellow old geezer, Vloggy 2017. Hold on. You do great voices, I'm impressed. You see, V4 knows. V4 knows impressions, there you go. I can do Kermit the Frog. Slowpoke. Oh man. Is it gone? Is it gone? Yes, it's gone. Let's go. Moving on. Next Pokemon is going to be Cyndaquil. Can I please do a quiz? No, no, Skeletor, I'm sorry. I told you already. Please, please, don't put me in that position. Because can you do a Mr. Bean impression? Of course I can do a Mr. Bean impression. Oh, Bean. Hold on. No, but I need to say something else. Because he rarely speaks. He says, Bean. And then he says, remember that part where he was making a sandwich? And he was trying to spread butter on the sandwich. So he uses a credit card. And then when he's done spreading, he looks at the guy next to him and he goes, my flexible friend. Remember that? My flexible friend. I'm gonna let my friend do one for you. You're getting sidetracked. I'm sorry. Yes, it's true. It's true. I'm so sorry. Okay, Omega. There's like 3 more to go. Come on. I want you to get one. I'm sorry. I'm laughing now. I'm sorry. I cannot do this now. Nothing's better than Vloggy's comedy. This is why I get viewers. Oh man. I'm his manager. Yes, Sakura's a manager here, by the way. Be careful. Respect me and respect Sakura, and you're good here. All right. Is it gone? Got it. Sparrow Mist got it. Nice. Let's move on. It's gone. Let's try again. Alright guys, I'm going to make a small announcement, alright? Just a temporary announcement, guys. If you have already grabbed a shiny, alright? If you already grabbed a lot of shinies, especially totalize, alright? Please give someone else a chance, alright? For those who still haven't got one. Alright, so I got only 2 left. Alright, I only have 2 left. If you already got like 2 of them already, alright, please just hold back for someone else to get theirs. Alright, it's the best I can do, you know? So yeah, let's go. I don't mind getting you more than 1 or 2 or 3 or whatever, but we're approaching the last 2. I appreciate that you hold back now for someone else to get, someone who didn't get one. If I get Totodile, I'm done. And I want Omega Dragon to get one. I really do. Let's go. Glog, get some water. Your throat, I like the way you spelled it, is getting all sore. Too many Pokemon impressions. Okay, Skeletor, I already told you. Please, do not put me in that position. I won't repeat that one more time. Alright, here we go. Here comes Skeletor. I'm gonna give you a countdown actually. I rarely do that, but here comes a countdown. Here comes a countdown of this deposit. I want Skeletor to get it. 3, 2, 1. Somebody just subscribed. Tariq, thank you for subscribing. Welcome. 0. MacKnight did the 0 for me. Thank you. Thank you. You know, Metal Slug. Thank you. Heavy Machine Gun. All right. Who? I hope somebody. I hope Omega gets it. How are you, Mr. McKnight? How are you? How are you? It's gone. Fulgem says it's gone. GG. All right. I don't get to GG much. I got it. Thanks. I'm glad Omega got it. Yes, I hate it when you know I'm done delivering Pokemon. Somebody doesn't get one. All right. So I'm glad you got it, Omega. I'm very happy. One last Totodile. Whoever gets this Totodile, you know, this is the dessert. This is the dessert. Who is? Omega Dragon just subscribed, and for some reason, the notification music just cut for some reason. And it froze. It froze. Omega Dragon it just froze. No problem. Let's just clear that up. And back. There we go. Alright. You forgot to sub. No, it's fine. It's fine. Thank you for subbing. Thank you for subbing. You see, but froze on screen. Scraggy froze on screen with joy when you subbed. Alright, last Totodile, and then we're moving on to Cyndaquils. Who's hyped for Cyndaquil? Cyndaquil hype! Look how supportive McKnight is. Okay, guys, yeah. Apparently, Gallade is saying, Mega Gallade, welcome to the stream, by the way. He just joined. He or she, sorry, I hate assuming genders. I'm sorry. Alright, so if everybody could hold back, maybe Gallade can get this one. Because this is the last one. But if he does, if he or she doesn't, there's Cyndaquils next. So here we go. 3, 2, 1. Boop. But yeah, guys, I mean, I hate begging for subs. It's not what I am. I mean, people coming in and they see the stream, all right, and they enjoy the content, they automatically know to subscribe. I don't have to beg for subs. But I keep reminding you guys to do that in case you want more starters. I'm going to be giving away every single starter from every single generation. All right? I did Kanto. I'm doing Johto right now. Next are Hoenn, and so on. All right? So, yeah. Is it gone? People are saying it's gone. Who got it? Who got it? Yeah, Mega Gallade got it! Wow, I'm so happy that everybody got one. I'm happy that Dragon got one and Mega Gallade got one. I'm very happy. Well done. GG, everyone. GG. We're moving on to Cyndaquils. Cyndaquil! Hashtag Cyndaquil! McKnight's gonna be lurking. I'm fine, Vloggy. Just watching a movie and lurking around the sea. I appreciate that, McKnight. Thank you so much. What movie are you watching, McKnight? I would like to know. I would like to know. Alright guys, let's see how many Cyndaquils I have to give away. I have a lot. I have a whole box. Minus one, because I gave one to Midna earlier. So, deposit. Oh yeah, before we start depositing, guys, what kind of Pokemon would you like to deposit? Spam it in the chat. It's the only time you get to spam in the chat. Tell me which kind of Pokemon would you like to deposit. Shall we stick to Pikipek or something else? Tell me. Now. Alright, we have a young goose. Come on, come on. Are we gonna... Pikipeks. Fireman's saying young goose, but Pikipek. Fireman keeps saying young goose. Pikipek. Everybody's saying Pikipek. No, we're gonna stick with Pikipek. Ratata. Mega Gallade says Ratata. Magikarp, Pikipek. No, we're gonna stick with Pikipek. Pikipek is the most common one. So we're gonna stick with Pikipek, it's fine. Okay, stop the spam. Stop the spam. Alright, we're gonna go. How many do I have? Let me count them real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. I have 29 Cyndaquils, guys. 29 Cyndaquils starting now. Please do, Eric. Okay, Skeletor. I'm sorry. I told you many times. I'm sorry. I told you many times. I'm sorry. I am sorry, but you get a timeout. Whatever. Moving on. Yeah, 30 minus, exactly. 29 minus 1. Yeah, 30 minus 1 equals 29. Exactly. Yeah, exactly. Because I don't know how much a box contains, a full box. It's 30 apparently. Okay. Okay. Alright. It's in. Having a sip of beer. Got it. Beaver got it first. Nice. I have a lot of picky packs now. Shiny male Abra. That's awesome. That's awesome, Omega. Okay, here comes the next one. I'm getting better with GTS Wars. Is there like a skill involved to get better at GTS Wars? I don't know. I've never been on the other side of a GTS War. I'm always the one doing the deliveries. Okay, he got it. Good. Moving on. Oh, you came in late for the stream then. Sorry about that. You still have a chance to get a Cyndaquil. You still got a chance. You were here the whole time. Why didn't you say hello? Why didn't you say hello, man? Thank you for subscribing. Let me see if I can say that right. Nathanoj. It's Jonathan backwards. I just realized. It's Jonathan backwards. It's Jonathan backwards. I'm gonna call you Jonathan. Yeah. Hey Taboo, welcome to the stream. I'm giving away shiny Cyndaquils right now. All I ask in return is $1 million. No, I'm kidding. No, a picky pack. Just a lame, common picky pack. Deposit a picky pack, and you get a shiny Cyndaquil. Are you ready? Here comes another one. And it's gone. Wow. When it's a fresh new box of Pokemon, they go away quickly. So fast. Oh yes, we have a trend going on, guys. For those of you that just joined, we have a trend. Alright? Uh-oh, communication has press the power button to end the game. What? What? Guys! What? Look at this! A communication error has occurred. Press the power button and end the game. No! I'm gonna... okay, hold on. Oops. Oh no. What just happened, guys? Did I get banned? Oh no. Oh no. No, it says no signal. Because I switched it off, obviously. Alright, we're gonna try again, guys. I'm gonna switch it back on. Soft ban? Really? Is it a soft ban? Seriously? I don't care. Honestly, I don't care. I don't care if that's the case, because I do it for you guys. I don't care if I get soft ban. The only time I was online is for you guys. Let's try again. That's fine. Let's go again. If it's a soft ban, I'm gonna have to call it. I'm gonna have to end the stream. I'm gonna have a sip of beer. Jonathan, you're still in time to get a Cyndaquil. You see, I have a full box. Sakura be lurking. VloggyBuddy, true beauty. Alright, yeah, let's keep doing. Let's keep going. Let's try again. Let's see if I got a soft band. No, this is not how it works. Hold on. No. What? You can, because... What's this? You can't have a link trade or trade at the GTS because your previous link trade or trade was interrupted due to communication power. Please wait a while and try again to trade. What? What? What's going on? No! Please wait a while and try again. Well, I'm starting to think this may be a soft ban. Is it a soft ban? Is it really a soft ban? It sounds like a soft ban. Can I go online? Really? Is it a soft ban? You have to wait at least a day. No! No way. Seriously? Why is it a soft ban though? Because I did way too many trades. Is that it? Does anybody know? Come on, enlighten me. That is so weird. That is so weird. Well, Sakura, apparently, I mean, I was doing trades, and for some reason, soft ban only for the trade. Yes, but do battle. I mean, yeah, but I don't have many This is a fresh new copy. Actually, I can use the other copy, actually. 2 boxes of Pokemon. Yeah. That is so weird. That is so weird. Let me try again. Hold on. Maybe it changed. Maybe the whole thing changed since then. Hold on. Try again. No, it won't let me. It's not gonna let me. That's so strange because people like say, "Why we're copying their Pokemon while trading?" Yeah. Maybe I can do just one battle. The thing is this: I don't have any decent Pokemon to fight in this game, so maybe we can end the stream with a battle, but not in this copy of the game because I don't have good Pokemon here. Hold on, what do I have? Totodile 12. No. Moo! I got a canopy that says Moo. Oh man, guys, but don't worry, when I'll be able to go back online again, I'm gonna do another stream and continue finish off. All right, definitely, and I'll get more Totodiles and more Chikoritas actually as a second run, you know, as a payback. See, you give me a soft ban, I come back even stronger with even more Pokemon to trade. So that's what we'll do. All right, let's see if I can switch copies. Hold on, let me see if I can switch copies real quick. Moo was from me. Really? Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to see if I can get the other copy of the game. Hold on. I can't use that game to trade because that version... Hold on. Let me see. Hold on. Let me see if I can use that one. But the thing is, I can't move them with Pokemon Bank because I have an old version of Pokemon Bank and I need to update it. And if I update, I will lose the PK hacks. Oops. So I cannot do that. Let me see if I can have a battle. Maybe we'll end the stream with a nice battle. And yes, I will be back and with more Totodiles and Chikoritas and the Cyndaquils. So that's fine, guys. Don't worry about that. As soon as I can go back online. I'm very sorry about that. I hate it when things don't go my way. By the way, I still haven't finished Pokemon Moon. Oops! I still haven't finished Pokemon Moon. Let's have a battle real quick. Oh man, this is gonna... Is it gonna let me trade here? Hold on. Yeah, it lets me trade here, you see? It's so strange. So it lets me do it from over here. You see? No, we're good. It's fine because I cannot transfer the Pokemon from Sun to Moon. I cannot use Pokemon Bank. Let's have a battle real quick. Why not? I'm gonna suck. So my apologies. Link. Battle spot. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna take a nap then. Yeah, you deserve a nap. Battle me whenever. Battle me. I never get Pokemon. I will battle you next time because this is not about battling really. I mean, I'm not gonna battle people right now. I'm just gonna battle someone randomly from online. And I'm gonna get trashed. I know I am. Okay. Think because what? Okay. So free battle. Let's see what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen. I honestly don't know what's gonna happen. Updated. Okay, so let's do a double battle. Special Pokemon. No, let's not allow special Pokemon. And the party is gonna be this one. My team. Yeah, why not? My old team. I still haven't used these Pokemon in a very long time. Vloggy, can you put up up your free end code, and it would be pure battle? What? I don't get it. What? See ya, Volgem. Thanks. Sorry, I was too loud. See ya, Volgem. Thank you so much for hanging out. Alright, so I'm gonna fight, and I'm gonna use this music. Oh, man. Not Battle Royale. I hate Battle Royale. But anyway, whatever. So, what do we have? What do we have? What do we have? I like my... I'm gonna use my... I'm gonna start with Snorlax. Litten, Golduck, and Matang. Alright, let's go. Oh, this is gonna be tough. This is gonna be tough. But at least we'll end the stream with a random battle with somebody. Guys, I'm not gonna be bothered to add anyone right now on friend code. Sorry, maybe next time. But right now I'm just gonna do a battle and that's it. I don't think my soft gun's gonna be lifted. I will try again. I'm gonna try again once I'm done with this battle and we'll see. I don't think it will be though. Go get the laundry. Alright, let's see. Fight. I'm gonna use... Giga Impact on... Oricorio. Wow, I can't even pronounce these. And I'm gonna use... Let's go. Let's see. I'm gonna look at the beautiful total ace and checkers I got. Fireman. Let's go. Ah, GG. Don't feel bad. This is my decision to make trades, guys. Don't feel bad. It was me. It's me. I do them. So don't feel bad. This is my decision. I risk getting banned. For you guys. I don't care. What type of Pokemon is that? Wow, there's so many Pokemon I've never seen before. What is that? Wow, what is that? Fire and flying. Okay, so... Fire and flying. So there's no point in... Okay, I'm gonna use my Flare Blitz on... Or it's not very effective though. Oh, it's super effective on... Okay. Let's go. Ah, he's gonna use Roost. Ah, nice. GG. Yes, I risk it for you guys. I don't care. I only use online just... to do the trades for you guys, so that's fine. I'll try checking the ban again once I'm done here. Oh, nice. I'm doing very well actually. Wow, I wasn't expecting this. Okay, Litten fainted. That's fine. Meow! Litten. Snorlax must recharge. Snorlax. Now I'm gonna use Golduck. I chose you, and it's a shiny legit Golduck, by the way, guys. I got him the first day I played Pokemon Moon. This is legit. Oh, Hydreigon. Oh, I got poisoned? How? Alright, so I'm gonna go with Giga Impact again on... I suppose, alright. Hold on. Let me try on our choreo. Fight. I'm gonna use Hydro Pump on... Okay. You know what, actually? Hold on. I'm gonna do a Z Power. And I'm gonna use Hydro Vortex. Look at this. Look at that. I love this. Check this out, guys. You can't keep training for more than 2 hours. Is that it? I will look that up afterwards. Actually, I'm gonna look that up. Look at this. Look at this. Ouch. Ouch. Ooh. No! Gold Duck! Ah, not good enough. Not good enough. At the third hour you get a ban. Interesting. That's good to know. Matang! I choose you! Alright, so I'm gonna use Zen Headbutt on... Oh, it has no effective on... That's fine. That's okay. He's gonna use Roost again, probably. Hydro Flamethrower on my Metang for sure. Ah, I knew it. And he's gonna rip. Rip! Rip. But anyway, it was fun. It was a nice battle. I mean... I knew it was gonna Roost. That's fine. You rooster. Alright, so I'm gonna do another Giga Impact. You know what I should do? Pulverizing Pancake, here it comes on Hydreigon or whatever. Let's do this. Let's do this. If I can get a chance to attack first, I don't think I will because he's slow compared to these Pokemon. Oh, we're not gonna get a chance to see Pulverizing Pancake, I think. Mirror move. No! No! Oh, we're gonna see it, we're gonna see it, we're gonna see it! He does the move. I love it. It's the first time you ever get to see a Snorlax open his eyes. Oh wow, still didn't faint him. I thought I was gonna faint him. Ouch. I'm gonna rest. I don't think it's gonna work though. Yeah, I figured. And drip. GG. Nice. You lost against blah blah blah. GG, Mr. Joe. DJO. GG. And that was the best team I have right now, so... I still haven't finished the game though, so... Give me the benefit of the doubt. Alright, nope. Nope. No. What? Okay, I guess you wanted me to save it. Alright, so, quit battling. I'm gonna change the game real quick again, hold on. Okay, I can quit here. I'm gonna see if I can continue. I'm gonna switch back to the other game and see if I can do that. Will I be streaming tomorrow? Tomorrow is Monday. I don't think so. No, I don't think so. Next time I'll be streaming will be Wednesday and Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday I'll be streaming for sure. Let me try again real quick. Hold on. Come on, you slowpoke. Let's see if the ban has been lifted or something. Let's try again real quick. I'm curious. I guess not, guys. I guess not. I'm gonna have to wait till this soft ban has been lifted, okay? So I'm gonna have to call it. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go take some pictures of the stars. Hey, just got here. How do you enter the giveaways? Kasim, I'm about to end the stream because as you can see on the second screen on the right hand side, I got a soft ban. So I got interrupted, basically. My giveaway had to be interrupted. I gave away a whole box of Chicaritas, a whole box of Totodiles, and I was like halfway through. I wasn't even halfway through of my Cyndaquil's box. So it got interrupted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be streaming again sometime this week, for sure. Sometime this week, I'll be giving away the rest of the Cyndaquils, and I'll get more Totodiles and more Chicaritas for all you guys, okay? So make sure you stay subscribed, make sure you click the bell so you know when I go live, all right? It's for you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you all so much for hanging out. Vloggy, seeing the poker app. Shall I? Oh, I think I can actually. Hold on. I'm gonna... Hold on. Let me see if I can pull this off. Hold on. Oh man, Sakura's not here. She's gonna miss this. Oh, she's here actually. She is. Hold on. Let me see if I can do that real quick. Hold on. Hold on. Maybe I can do this. Hold on. I'm gonna try. Hold on. Hold on. Can you guys hear it? I want to see it real quick. Hold on. What if I mute the game? Hold on. I'm gonna try. I want to sing. You're very welcome. All right, we're gonna end off the stream if I can pull this off real quick. Let's see if I can. So, hold on. The game is still going. Oh, hold on. Maybe I can switch it off. Hold on. Let me see if we can do this. Now I'm curious. Can we do this? Hold on. I'm gonna close this. There's no point in keeping this on. What if I? Yes, you can. Are you guys sure you want to hear this? Can you guys hear it? Hold on. I want to check real quick. Hold on. The quality of the stream. Hold on. Are you guys sure you want to hear this? Hold on. I want to check if you guys can hear it properly. Hold on. All right. Yes, you can. I just want to make sure that you can hear. Oh my goodness. No, you're not supposed to see anything. Let me just get the lyrics on screen. Oh, this is going to be awkward. But I want to sing it now. Poker up lyrics. Alright, let's do this. Poker up lyrics. There we go. Somebody just subscribed. Thank you. I'm about to sing. Pokedead. Thank you for the sub. I'm about to sing for you, Pokedead. Okay? Sit tight. This might make you unsub again. So, I'm sorry. Alright, guys ready? Are you guys ready? Let me just get the lyrics up on screen. It's gonna be my first karaoke ever. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna put the volume up. I'm gonna make sure that it's loud. Hold on. Alright, let's do this.
We gotta rap some Pokemon. You just do the singing. I'll take care of the hard part.
Alright.
Get it on. I want
to be the best that ever was. To beat the rest, yeah, that's my cause. Electro, Diglett, Nidoran, Mankey, Venusaur, Rattata, Fearow, Pidgey, Seeking, Jolteon, Dragonite, Ghastly, Ponyta, Vaporeon, Poliwrath, Butterfree. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch my breath. I'll search across the land look far and wide. Release from my hand the power that's inside. Venomoth, Poliwag, Nidorino, Golduck, Ivysaur, Grimer, Victreebel, Moltres, Sneaky, Farfetch, Abra, Jigglypuff, Kingler, Rhyhorn, Clefable, Wigglytuff. Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon. Zubat, Primeape, Meowth, Onix, Geodude, Rapidash, Megaton, Snorlax, Gengar, Tangela, Golden, Spearow, Weezing, Seal, Gyarados, Slowbro! Gotta catch 'em all! Catch 'em all! Catch 'em all, Pokemon! Kabuto, Persian, Paris, Horsey, Eradicate, Magnemite, Kadabra, Weepinbell, Ditto, Cloyster, Caterpie, Sandshrew, Xamander, Golem, Pikachu! 150 or more to see. To be a Pokemon master is my destiny. Alakazam, Macho, Kexgon, Hypno, Electabuzz, Flareon, Blastoise, Poliwhirl, Oddish, Drowsy, Raichu, Nidoqueen, Buzzsprout, Starmie!
We're at the halfway point. Doing great.
Are we really?
What's all this wee stuff? I'm doing all the hard work.
Break time's over! Here we go! Metapod, Kakuna, Clefairy, Dorio, Seadra, Fireplume, Krabby, Lickitung, Taurus, Phaeton. So much cringe. Nidorina, Beedrill. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, I'm gonna stop. 150 or more to see. To be a Pokemon master is my destiny. Charizard, Machamp, Pinsir, Coughing, Dotrio, Golbat, Staryu, Magikarp, Ninetales, Ekans, Omastar, Scyther, Tentacool, Telecanar, Magmar, something!
It's downhill from here. Just 24 more to go. Now it gets tricky, so listen
Really?
good.
He's like Psyduck, Arcanine, Eevee, Executor, Kabuto, Zapdos, Dratini, Growlithe, Mastermime, Cubone, Reveler, Voltorb, Gloom! Gotta catch 'em all! Catch 'em all, Pokemon! Hold on. Charmeleon, Wartortle, Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Omanyte, Slowpoke, Pidgeot, oh my goodness! It's all, folks! Gotta catch 'em all! Abadi, that's all, folks! I got the sub after singing all that. I earned that. Thank you so much for subscribing, Ron Crawford. I'm gonna go. The cringe is for really. Was it cringy? Was it not entertaining? Was it cringy? Your lungs. This is all V4's fault, guys. Okay, I put you through all that. All right, I put you through all that because V4 made me do that. All right, and you know how it is. I'm weak. I'm easily influenced. Okay, I'm gonna go, guys. Thank you all so much for hanging out. Thank you, everyone. How many people actually leave the stream? There's 10 people watching now. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Start your own music channel. Yeah, right. Yeah, don't quit your day job, Vloggy. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you next time. I look forward to see you next time. Take care. Bye. Have a great time. Ciao.